8 marks in my assignment, sir.
Okay.
So I get still the opportunity to get hall ticket for July 7, sir.
You have still opportunity to. Oh, see, the thing is, it's like for best two. Like if you get the best two in week 3 or 4, something like that, like rule is there, right?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
So if you are qualified in that rule, then you will get 7. I don't know the exact rule, but someone was telling me about that. Like there are some
Okay, sir.
kind that kind of
Okay,
rule.
sir. Fine, sir. Fine, sir.
Okay. No issue, no issue. Whether you will give exam on 7 July or next what? 4th August, I guess, right?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it will not affect.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, sir, can I ask
Yes.
a general question?
Yeah. General question you
Sir,
may ask.
will it be okay if we just attend live lectures other than recorded? Because if we attend both, no, then we don't get time to revise previous lectures of last week.
Okay.
So,
Okay. It's okay. It's okay. No issue. There is no restriction on that. It's up to you only. Okay. Like if you are comfortable with whatever you said me now, so you can follow that one as well. Okay. It's up to you.
thank you, sir.
So, like,
Amritsar, in which year?
the Google Calendar link, like, how do we get that Google Calendar in which all the classes are there?
Google Calendar link. Could someone like can someone please send that link if they have? My name is not Amrit. Okay, my name is Arpit. In which year you are? I am already graduate. I am not
Sir,
TA.
I would like to tell how to join the Google Calendars. Can I please?
Yeah, you can.
So, in the general instruction session, there is a section of important links, and that's all. And there it is statics and all other classes and courses calendar links. So by clicking and adding it to our current Google Calendar, we can add them in our calendar as a stream, and it shows us the classes and events organized on that course.
Okay, thank you so much.
No
Could you
problem.
please send the orientation link here so that everyone will be able to see that video and then they will be join that session.
Can we
Okay,
ask
sir. I will try.
activity question
Not
related
this
doubt
course,
now
not
or
this
later?
course, not this course. Later.
Okay, sir.
I am not from IIT data science. Okay, I am a mathematics student. I have done my masters from IIT Madras itself in mathematics. Yeah, I'll explain once this states class will over. I'll explain. Okay, no issue. So that everyone will join. If you have some general doubt regarding anything, not regarding the course, then you can ask.
So you are from offline IIT Madras course, no?
Yeah, I am a master. I was a master student from IIT of IIT Madras.
Okay, sir.
Good evening, sir. I have a general question. Can I say it?
Yeah.
Sir, basically in the week one assignment, the graded assignments marks have came down and it was quite bad from my side. So, sir, what can I do in order to make the foundation more strong so that it will be better for the quiz one session?
Sorry, I didn't get your point. What do you want to say actually? Could you please clear me once?
Basically, I'm asking that my grade one uh, marks that has came, it was quite low. So I'm
Okay.
asking that how can what are the things over which I
See
should
that.
prioritize more so that I could be good for the quiz one assignment only in week once.
Okay, so one thing you can do as practice X you can, okay? Like once you have done with your assignment, if you have contact with your seniors, Like if someone is there in your knowledge who have already done this course, please ask them for previous year question so that they will provide you a previous year question and then try to solve that question. That will be enough. That will be enough. And try to solve the question by yourself only.
Sir, will it be better if I just go on doing the NCERT books of 11 and 11
Yeah,
mostly
that thing also you
questions?
can do, but if you don't have that much time, then I won't suggest. If you have time, you can do. Even if you have time, you can go with the JEE material as well. But only for mathematics, okay? For other subject, you have to ask to instructor or TA.
Sir, the JEE
Like
questions are quite tougher, I feel.
it's it's depends.
Advanced
Now,
questions
if you
are
have time, you can go with that as well. I am not asking, I am not stopping you. If you have time, you can do. Okay. And it's
okay, okay,
basically
thank you.
this course, this math one course is just basically
Yes.
for just like you have to familiar with the this kind of concept so that you can use this kind of addition, subtraction kind of thing in your programming. That's why we are explaining this just for general purpose. Okay, it's not like you have to like score more and more. The what thing is matter how better you are learning this kind of course. Okay, it's not like
Yes,
how
sir.
much you are scoring. Okay, so
Okay, okay, thank you,
just
sir.
Okay,
just
sir.
Sir, I had a doubt
try to
in
learn.
activity question.
Mhm.
Sir,
Sir, I want to ask
No,
something.
they okay. Visita is asking one question, sir. You studied master in math in IIT. Do I have to write GATE for joining in math or states in IIT? No, no, no. There is a specific exam known as IIT JAM. Okay,
Known as?
IIT
IIT
JAM.
Jam.
Where
Okay,
I have
Jam.
written here,
Yeah, yeah.
IIT JAM. Okay,
Yes,
just
sir. Yes.
search about this exam, you will get the information. Sir said he will explain activity doubts. Sure. Yeah,
Sir,
yeah.
I want to ask
I'll
something.
explain. Yeah.
Good evening, sir.
Mm-hmm. Good
Sir,
evening.
I attend all the lectures of Maths Week 2, but when I
Mhm.
attempt the questions, I
Mhm.
realize that I not even touch the lectures. Means I do not attempt the question. Matlab,
So one thing is that you can do if you are continuously making your notes na, or if you have some books, just take book with yourself and like with you and then try to solve the question. Like if some question is asking for finding the distance, if you don't know about the distance formula, just go to that particular section and see the formula and then apply. So that then only you will like memorize that kind of formula, that kind of thing. Okay.
no, sir, I
It will
made
take
notes
time.
as well.
It will take time. Yeah, you just everyone. I am not telling about you only. Like it's not like you just watch the lecture and just went to the went for the solving the question and you say, sir, I you can solve each and every question. No, it's not like that. Okay, it will take some time. Just take your notes with you and then try to solve.
Yes, sir. I feel that lectures are too basics and questions are like thoda high level.
Okay. No, 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 no. It's not like that.
Am I
Just
audible?
yeah, you
The
are.
basis of that question is from the lecture. So.
Sorry.
Sir, if we complete the degree, then we are eligible for the GATE exam.
Yeah, you are eligible for GATE in data science, I guess. Yes.
If we
Yeah,
complete the
I think
previous
I guess
degree.
your senior has done a very good in GATE exam last in this GATE exam. GATE has started just last time, like in this 24 section, they have started GATE in data science. So they have done a good. They have scored good marks on that. Okay.
Sir, what is this GATE exam in data science? I don't know about it. Can you explain it?
That is
GATE
for
exam is
masters.
just yeah, it's an exam who qualify like if you qualify that exam, so you are eligible to do MTech in data science in IITs.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir, we are only eligible if we complete the all the. It means कि if we complete the BS degree, then we are eligible, no?
Yeah. then you are eligible.
If we complete a BSc and we can't we can't complete BS,
See,
then
you can do the GATE examination, but you are not allowed to say go to the IIT and pursue some course from there.
okay,
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 you
okay.
can do, you can give GATE examination at any time, or this JAM examination at any time. It's just like
Yes.
some of the IIT JEE student, if someone is there, they do this JEE examination in
Sir,
their first time, like
sir.
if they are in 11th and they done this, just for experience purpose, they will do this.
Sir.
Yes.
Sir,
Yes, sir,
start
we
the
are.
lecture. Sir, will
Yeah,
you
stop.
tell again about this IIT GEM system?
Okay, this is a entrance exam for masters in various subjects, especially in science subject like mathematics, physics, chemistry. This kind of subject, this is a, if you want to do master in a specific these three subjects, or some subjects are also there, like economics is there, biotechnology is there, some subjects are also there. So after qualifying this exam, if you get some like a good rank on that, under 500, under 400 kind of thing, so you are eligible to like take IITs and NITs for your masters. Just like your JEE, nothing extra. You can search on Google. You can search on Google or YouTube. There are many videos on IIT JAM or IIGATE,
Yes, sir, yes,
etc.
sir.
etc. We don't want to waste our time in that.
Yes, okay.
Can we get admission in MTech? It's to IIT JAM. No, you can't. But you can do some courses from MTech department. You can this exam is only for MSc. Yeah, we can start once that session will over. If the session is over, then let me know. No?
And am I audible, sir?
Yeah.
Yeah, you are audible.
Sir, my question is that can I pursue agriculture science in a MTech after PhD degree?
I don't know about it. I don't know. Sorry. I
Sir,
don't have any idea about it.
while doing this course during the third year, is any internship kind of available, like for research?
Yeah, there are some internships.
Yeah, you can get that.
You can get into. I think in orientation they have cleared about that, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir,
Sir,
yes.
please explain lecture in Hindi.
You
I
can
I think
get
Hindi
that through
session is
LinkedIn.
tomorrow, most probably.
You can
I
get that
also
through LinkedIn also.
also want to do a research.
Sir,
I'm talking about
after
research internship from campus, like from IIT Madras. Can we do some research kind of internships in data
Yeah,
science?
they have talked about
On
it
what
on the
topic?
orientation session.
I also want that.
Yeah, there are some
after
orientation session. Please go and watch. They have better idea about it. I'm just a new faculty. I have joined just 2 to 3 months, like not 2 to 3 months, like last 2 terms.
Yes, sir, in orientation session, sir told about that.
Yeah. So there
Sir,
are, yes.
after attending your this session, can I do all the questions of mathematics or I need external help?
Sorry.
Sir, after
After
attending
attending?
this section of mathematics week 2, yours, can I do all the questions or I need external
How can I
source?
say? How can I say about it?
Because
Like
sir,
this
lectures
is
are not
not.
That
Potential
totally
your
depends
learning
on you.
also.
Yeah, you cannot
That
depend
totally
on
depends
me.
on you.
Yeah, it depends on you.
because
And
sir,
that,
this recorded lectures are not sufficient, I think.
yeah, that's why this kind of
Sir,
session
but
is happening now.
this session is
Even
very
this session
helpful.
are
Yes, sir.
also not sufficient if you are like, it depends on you how much focused you are in some topics, in some subjects and all. Sometimes what happens is
But
whatever
all
you
doubts are
you will
cleared
do.
in this video.
If
This
Yeah,
type of
I will
session.
try to clear your doubt. No, don't worry.
there
If
is
you
a
have some
channel on
doubt,
YouTube named as Let's Learn, you can get there.
yeah, you can go. You can go if you find
Yeah,
something.
he
So
makes
please
all the
don't share the
contents in
links
Hindi.
here, okay? Please don't
Okay,
share
sir,
the
okay.
link here
No,
because
sir, not sharing links
because
at all.
yeah,
Yes, sir,
some
because
copyright.
it's official. Yeah,
Yeah,
sir,
it's
I can
official. That's
understand.
some
Sir,
copyright.
Sir, one last
Sir,
question.
today
How to get
some
anyone in
Hindi
internship?
explain lecture. Yeah, I'll use some Hindi.
Sir,
If you feel some difficulty on somewhere, please let me know. I'll explain this thing in Hindi as well.
yes, sir,
Okay?
better in English, sir.
English.
I can't do exactly on English because see the thing is it's not like to take a session in Hindi. Okay, it's easy
Okay,
for
sir.
me as well if I will take session in Hindi because
Yeah, all
it's
right.
my mother tongue, so it's easy for me. But the thing
Yes.
is, if you will not leave your comfort zone now, it will really
Yeah.
difficult for you.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Because we are from
even you
JS
can
students.
No,
you
sir,
can do
that's
like
not a problem for me, but there are some students from UP
no
board
issue.
and
I'm talking
uh,
about those who wants this Hindi session. I'm just
yes, sir.
telling you, like it's not like I can do, no issue. I can do, or even any instructor can do Hindi session. Okay, no issue. But the
Okay,
thing
sir.
is, when you will go for next term or you will go to next term, there is no
Yeah.
chance to take and get any session in Hindi. The thing is, because you are learning one English one session, right? So after doing
Yes.
that course, we will suppose, like we will assume that you have a better idea about English.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay.
sir,
So,
Yes, sir.
textbooks for all the subjects, like we've got for statistics. So
Mhm.
when we get that for all the other subjects.
You got for stats. Okay, I'll let you know. I'll let you know on Tuesday's class. Okay.
Ebook
So
is
one more
available.
doubt, how to get anyone mentorship?
Internship or mentorship, what you are
Mentorship,
saying?
mentorship. He's talking
Mentorship.
about mentorship. Yeah, sir.
There will be some Google form after some time, after completing this foundation level, they will give. For you, you want mentors or you want to be a mentor of someone?
No, I want mentor.
You want mentor. Okay, after after your foundation course, they will give you some for Google form
I
kind
have
of thing.
received some pending payment in that option.
Okay. Okay, no issue,
Yeah.
no issue, no issue. Just
Sir.
wait for something. Okay, Krishna Murthy is asking, sir, I am a commerce student from State Board, so can you please explain each and every steps in the session? Okay, no issue, no issue. Basically, this session is happening for non-math background student only, because
Yes.
mathematics
Sir
people
is
has
here
already
only
Yes,
to
sir.
help us. Yeah.
Hi, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Sir, how can we
This is
become
this is
TA? Can,
this is
Just
this
can
is
you
a minute,
answer,
just a
sir?
minute, just a
hold
minute.
on.
Someone is
can-
asking.
Okay, I'm asking. This is something to do with the answers that we actually need to give for graded. That
Okay.
if the situation is if we want to use the symbols like root and all this thing, how can we
Mhm.
actually use in the answer?
No,
I
in numerical type answer you are saying, right?
where it's a
Put the
filling the
value of
blank.
root.
If the filling the blank, it actually is asking for the answer for to fill the blank. The thing.
Okay. If you are getting this kind of answer, right?
Yes.
So there are some constraint. Okay, there are some constraint. They will say up to 2 decimal places, 1 decimal places. So you have to like what is root 2 basically 1.4141 something like that, or 414 something like that, right? So just put up to 2 decimal. That's it.
But fine. If I'm saying that root 2 plus root 4 something of that kind is a kind of a complex thing, how can I actually project it?
Just use
I-
calculator. Calculator you can use. No
Fine.
issue. Like we will provide calculator on your exam as well. See
Sir,
here,
the
somewhere here will be some what to say. Somewhere here will be some option for opening the calculator. No issue. This corner or that corner.
Okay. Fine.
Okay, no
How
issue. We
sir,
will
the
provide
on-screen
calculator.
calculator will be provided.
Yeah, it will be provided.
Thanks, sir.
Sir, I have a question on activity. Yes. Kindly please check some whether this stat session is stop or not, so that we can start our session.
No, the start is still going on.
Still going on. That is why the strength is low.
Sir,
Okay,
is there
we'll
any
start by 8:30. Like step by step, we will take your doubts. Okay, your doubts up to 8:30. You just ask whatever doubt you have apart from the
sir,
course. Yes.
So
is there
the
any problem when we
exam
do offline degree and online degree at once?
No. This is the advantage of online degree. Now you can
Sir, if I
do
do
both.
BTech in computer science and BS in data science, is there any difference or making problem in future?
No, it will
No,
not make it.
no
It's up to
problem.
you. It's like if you are capable to do both degree at one time, you can do. My best wishes with you.
It have a scheme like 4 to 8 years. What is the
No, it's not like that. Well, this is the benefit of online degree. Now you can do both degrees simultaneously.
Yes.
Okay. But the thing is, if you are capable for doing that, because computer science is not like you have just then you are half of the see. This course also is really hectic, right? There are many videos that you have to watch in one day.
Okay.
So if you are able to manage all those things, then yeah, you can do.
But
Can all
after the
students get connected to each via WhatsApp for doubt or for
There was
any
Telegram group
query?
for it.
Yeah, there are
but
many groups.
but after the
Yes.
qualifier, will we be able to get some mentor? Especially, I need some support for math. Will I get any mentor?
See, mentors are provided only those who are not qualified or who are lagging in some concept. I don't think so for, see, if suppose in 25,000 students are there, currently that much student have applied for this course, okay. So suppose if I am supposing 8,000 students are qualifying, suppose for example, 8,000 students are qualifying. Will it be possible for us to provide mentors to each and everyone, every student?
Obviously not.
No, right? Not possible, obviously not.
Yeah.
So if
No,
you are lagging in some concept, and you are good in other things, then I don't think so you need some mentor and all.
because I didn't have math from after this thing in my
No issue,
from my
no
side.
issue, no issue, no issue, no issue. That's what I'm saying. That is why, like, if this session, this kind of course is for everyone, it means every student can like learn, like can join this thing. Na, they don't need specifically from math background or any science background. They don't need.
Compared to the
Yeah,
If
first
the
they
week,
math
I'm
need,
finding
math
it
is on
if
difficult
they
in the
basic
need,
second
level.
week.
yeah,
The
So
only
it
second week.
means
basic level you
this
had
kind
to
of
know.
this kind of session is always going on till the foundation level or the many other.
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
Sure, sure.
That
But
will
when
be
I have a
great.
question.
but Arpit, my worry is like because when I compare the first week with the second week, I was able to manage with the first week, but with second week, I need to kind of lot of guidance and go through a lot of things. So obviously, with the coming weeks, it's going to increase. So I'm thinking that
I can understand. I can understand your concern. I can understand. But yeah, if you feel some difficulty, you may consult with respective instructor, respective TAs. There are many, right? There are many sessions.
Yes,
If
sir.
you are
Yes, sir.
feeling some difficulty on some specific topic, even you can email them.
Yeah.
okay.
After the qualifier, we will provide you the mail as well.
Oh, that's great.
Okay, no issue, no issue.
Thank
If you really lag on something, okay, if you are not able to pass the exam, if you are failing in the exam, then we will provide you the mentor.
Because
Sir,
with
Like
can
that
we
support,
is the
start?
worst
It's
condition case.
8:28.
That is the worst condition case. So don't think like we need mentor and all.
okay. Because I
Okay.
can I can cope up with CT and start in English, but with math, I'm having difficulty that I could see that. So as you told, like over the time, even if I'm ready to put the input, I need to support for the fundamental concepts that because it being quite some time that I'm not in touch with those concepts and I don't have the exposure for them.
Okay, no issue, no issue, no
I
issue.
think
Hello, I think I have answer
part
to
part
that. Hello.
Uh,
partly the reason he's having difficulties not because of math but because of the teaching style of the professor.
That's
Like
true. The
I've
lecture given in the
Yeah,
dashboard is
that's the
not good.
actual problem. The teaching
Sir,
style is
boring,
actually
sir.
not good.
Very boring.
the other three professors are very good in their teaching. Like I can feel that this is IT level education. But Professor Nilesh, on the other hand, he just reading off a script. Like
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
you
that's
Yes,
feel
sir.
right.
like
That's
he's
how it seems like.
Yes, sir, exactly.
That's what it seems like.
Week two
Ah,
content is not appropriate.
See,
and
in this
as
case, I don't
someone
want
from a
to.
non-math background, like when I was joining this course, everybody told me that we can join even if we are from not non-math background, we don't know anything about math, we can still learn. So I was hoping like this was that kind of course, but when I joined and started studying from Nilesh sir, I couldn't understand anything.
But you need
I
to. I
had
mean,
to always look at the YouTube lectures, find some other person on YouTube and learn from him.
Yeah, you are
So
right. You are right.
sorry to interrupt,
You
but
have
one
to
thing.
search on
Hold
YouTube
on.
for basic
Hold,
maths and all
hold on.
content.
Hold on. I'm sorry to interrupt, but one thing you need. I mean, we need to kind of at least from my side, I'm putting. I'm not generalizing. Of course, my this thing is I know what I am where I stand, so I don't want to blame anyone. But at the same time, when it comes to the degree from the IIT, it is it is really expected. We need to put a lot of effort to get through this. So that is
Exactly.
obvious from my side. I don't want to blame anyone for anything. Given that opportunity, I need support. That's what because I do lag. I know where I'm lagging. So I don't want to blame anyone for anything. If I know the concept, I will understand the lectures also. Since I don't know the fundamental thing, I need
Yeah,
to.
you are right.
Okay,
Yeah,
let me
okay.
clear one by one.
So,
The
sir,
thing is, like, 1 minute. Let me clear one thing. Like you are concerned with the professors and all. See, we can't do anything. They are not teachers. Okay, they are researchers. They are proper researchers. Say they think that everyone know at least this much of math. Okay, they think about their level. They don't
Yes, sir.
understand about this kind of situation. Like someone is not from math background and all. That is why they were think like they will teach like that. That is why not this kind of instructor session and this kind of TA session is continuously going on. This is the main reason. Because if we have to learn something, we need some extra attention on some topic, on some thing that we have in our hand. It's not like we just watching the lecture and we can get everything from the lecture. No, right? So
Yes, sir.
this is my suggestion, and this is the harsh reality of any institute. I'm not talking about the IITs or NITs. Even I am an offline student. Now I have learned lots of courses from Nilesh sir as well, and whatever sir you have teaching, they have taught me many courses. Okay, so it's not like we can understand each and everything inside the classes only. For that also, we have to use some other resources like some NPTEL courses, you can say, some other professors like some foreign professors and all. We have to take that kind of efforts from our side as well. Because they are not teachers, they are researchers. So we cannot expect. So this is my suggestion from my side. If you are not getting something from course, please try to take some extra efforts from your side as well. And also we are taking the session as well for your doubts if you have.
And this is a higher institution. You cannot
Sir,
expect
please start the lecture, sir. It's
Hello, sir.
8:30 p.m.
Yes.
So I am doing
Is
that, sir.
Government
What are
of
you saying?
India-
Like I understand. I
Hello,
just thought
sir.
to notify you because the rating of the professor on the lecture itself, you can see that he is getting 1.5 out of 5 stars.
Yeah.
And you can look at the comment section of the YouTube videos he's watching. You can see if there are 100 videos, then 90 comments have problems. If there are 100
Yeah,
comments,
Yeah, we
actually,
can understand that. We can understand that
Yes,
thing. And see, the thing is like everyone wants tag, right? Everyone wants. If someone will say I am teaching and some other IIT professor is teaching, everyone will go to that professor only. They will not going to see any other normal people, right? This is the harsh reality of our as well. Our thinking is like that only. If just put an option like you have an state in a university where all the teachers are very good, they will teach you from the scratch, and there are IITs and NITs. Where you will go? If this is IIT and NITs,
That's what
but
we
sir,
have
if
IIT.
anyhow if
definitely
IIT
you will
Madras
choose the IIT.
manages
No?
to re-record the
Definitely you will
videos,
choose.
that will be good idea.
Definitely,
Hello, sir.
and we cannot blame them because they are researchers. They are not teachers. Just understand this kind of thing. They are researcher. They will think like everyone have at least that much of knowledge. No issue, no issue. We are taking this session. I hope this kind of session is really being helpful for you.
And that's also that they are very clear because that's the reason they are giving 3 different types of pace, like the slow, medium, and fast, where one can actually judge and go with that. If you find it difficult, go with 1 or 2 courses. If you find it okay,
But
then
if
go
they
for
will
3.
re-record the videos, that will be much help.
Hello,
Okay.
sir.
Yes.
I have a general doubt like that.
Hello.
Is Government of India allow us by having a degree as a graduate?
Yeah, obviously,
It's
this is a
UGC.
If I
it's
want to do
UGC certified.
Anything, then I can do with that.
Yeah.
You
Definitely,
can also
definitely.
prepare for UPSC.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you.
That thing you can do.
I have
Definitely, definitely. This is a well-recognized course by UGC as well. Okay. After
Yes, sir.
doing the graduation from here, you are
Yes,
allowed to give any kind of master examination as well. Examination for masters as well.
MITs.
Yes, sir.
So,
Yeah, some
Thank
of
you,
them
sir.
have joined
Thank
for
you.
PhD also, I think.
yeah. That thing also you can do. Okay, let's start.
I have one quick question with respect to
Sir, one last doubt, sir.
Sir, please start the lecture, sir. It's
How many times we can give the reattempt, sir?
Yeah, I don't know about it, I
And
guess.
any number
Yeah.
of times you
For the
So
I
course
the
or
don't
the
know
course
about
semester?
it.
There
has
is no age limit.
hours and how many marks?
Sorry?
The qualified exam is for how many hours and how many marks?
It will be around 4 hours or 3 hours. I
4 hours.
4 hours, sir. 4
4
hours with
hours.
200
1
marks.
hour for each subject.
Yes,
1
sir.
hour for each subject. And each
4
subject
hours
is
with
around
200
50
marks.
marks. 50
Yes,
marks.
And it
sir.
will
50
be
marks each subject.
offline.
So how many questions are there in maths?
How can I know? It depends on the difficulty level. If questions are simple, then number of question will be high. If question are difficult, then number of question will be
Maximum
less.
number of questions is 15, yeah.
12.
15 to 17.
No, not that much. 10 to
Sir,
12 maximum.
I want to ask something, sir, but in Hindi, I know.
I gave qualifiers. I have got 15 questions in mathematics.
Last time.
Yeah,
Sir,
yeah,
one last
last time.
question, sir. But I'm not able to speak in English. Can I speak Hindi?
Yeah, you are. See, students are allowed to speak in Hindi. No issue.
सर जैसे ये 19 तारीख को डेडलाइन दे रखी है, ठीक है, मिड 2 का, और मेरे को 18 तारीख को मैथ्स में क्वेश्चन में डाउट आ गया. अब सेशन तो चल नहीं रहा सर, करूं तो करूं क्या उसमें?
Mail. Just ask with your friend. That is why I told you, na. Just make a WhatsApp group.
I search to clear it. I search on Google. मतलब for video lectures, I search on Google. I see 3 lectures and 3 lectures given 3 different answers.
For one question only.
Yes, sir. TW gives
How?
different. Pilu gives different, and Brinley gives
Question will be
different.
different, na. How question will be
No,
same
no.
for the
Answer different.
Values. No, values will be different.
Okay,
No,
same
sir,
kind of
cross-check.
question.
I
na.
cross-checked
Just
7
apply
times,
that method. Okay, which question is it?
Sir, I don't remember. It's
How
week
that
1
is
question.
possible, mate?
It's week 1 question, not week.
Week 1,
So
which
why are you
question?
Googling in the first place to solve yourself, right?
Yeah.
Google
Firstly,
to
solve yourself. Okay.
Sir,
Wait,
solve
let's
नहीं हो रहा
start.
तो
Let's
No, he
start.
tried
Let's
to
start.
solve. No, he tried to solve 7 times.
Okay. Fine. Okay, general doubts discussion is
I have
done.
one quick
I
question
think.
with respect to the week 2 content.
Yeah.
Lectures are are about how are we arriving at the formula, like distance between points or distance between lines,
That I
etc.
have already explained, I guess.
Yeah. So
Then-
how is it relevant to the data science course? Basically, how
See.
can we use it in this knowledge in future in the advanced topics?
Okay,
Good question.
I will explain. After everyone will join, I'll explain this SSE things. Okay. Once I will explain this SSE thing, you will understand why we are doing this kind of thing.
Yeah, some squared error.
Yeah, some
Hello,
squared
sir.
error. So this is the one thing that you will do in your future with the help of data science and with the help of formula.
The
Once
SSE is
we
very
will discuss this SSE, you will understand. And this kind of thing will be used in your stats as well, statistic course. Like some functions, some specific functions are there. Okay.
Yes,
so this point distance formula is not like where I will use this point distance formula.
It is very
I
useful.
will let you know. I will let you know by one question. Okay.
Sure.
Okay.
Hello, sir.
Shall we start now?
Sir,
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Please
one
start.
question, sir.
Please start.
One question, sir.
Go ahead, sir, please.
Okay. Please ask.
Sir, I see only live sessions, not professor session, and I am able
Okay.
to solve every question from
Okay.
graded assignment, practice assignment, and all. Then
Okay.
it's something lacking, yeah, or not? It's all right.
Yeah, it's all
all
right.
right. It's all right.
No
It's
problem.
totally all right.
That's
Okay.
very
Stat
good if
session
you can
is still,
solve it on your own.
Yes, sir.
that session is still running now, right?
But sir, continue now. Let them
Okay.
start.
Okay. No issue. SSC I will explain once everyone will join or once this stat
Start.
session will over. Okay. So we'll start.
Start from beginning, sir.
So here what we will do in this session. Firstly, I will explain. I will let you know what we are doing. What is our today's agenda. So today's agenda is firstly we will
Yes,
take. Okay, I will take your doubts. Take your doubts from your activity assignments and whatever you have. Activity assignments and practice assignment. Okay, not from graded assignment in both
Yeah.
of the them. Whatever doubt you will have, I will take that doubt. Then secondly, we will see this SSE things. This is the only topic that that was remaining, right? So this is a very useful thing.
Yeah.
Okay, very
SSC question
useful
in
thing.
qualifier comes with a huge mark.
Yes, always.
Yeah.
It happens always. SSC question will be there always.
Yeah,
Because this
with
is a
5
very
marks.
useful topic. This
Yes,
is a very useful for your qualifier, and for your data science things as well.
SSC
Okay, so
question
this
is
is
pretty lengthy, but it works.
yeah. So this is the two thing that we have to do. Okay. So let's start with
Yes,
your
sir.
doubt clearing. Or if
Please,
you
sir.
have
Sir,
any doubts in concept,
Yes, sir. I have a doubt in activity question.
doubt in concept.
Sir, activity question.
Okay, these is the three things that we will do. Okay. Okay, so
सर आप स्क्रीन शेयर कर रहे हो क्या?
it's sharing, I guess. Yes. Everyone is able to see the screen, right?
Yes, sir. Properly visible.
Yes, sir.
No problem.
Properly, no?
Yeah. Properly visible it is.
Okay.
Yes, sir, it's visible. Yes, sir, it's
Okay,
visible.
someone
Please
has.
continue, sir.
Okay.
Slope of line. Someone need help with slope of line.
Yes, sir.
Need
I
some
need.
help with slope of line. Okay, Payal.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Basically, what is slope of line? Okay, suppose there is some line equation. Let's see what is it? 3x plus 2y plus 3 is equals to 0. So what do you mean by the slope of line? So slope of this line. So basically this is nothing but two
Tan
things.
theta.
Okay, two things. Like if you two things are there, if you have to see with the graph,
Yes, sir.
or if you want to see directly. Okay, so directly method is you have seen this y is equals to mx plus c things, right?
Yes.
Mx plus c thing.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
if
Right.
you are able to convert this thing to this thing, then this
Yeah.
m will become your slope. Okay, this m will become your slope. So here if we will try to solve this. So this will be what? 2y is equals
Minus
to
3 by
minus
2.
3x minus 3, right? So y is equals to
Minus
what
3
you
by
can
2.
see? Minus 3 by 2 x
Yes.
minus 3 by 2, correct? So this minus 3 by
Yes,
2
sir.
will become your slope. Okay. And also in graphically what happens is, suppose this is the graph of the, okay, this is not the exact graph, but yeah, suppose this is the graph of the some equation line. Okay, some equation of line. Then since this is a line, so this line will line will form some angle between this x-axis, right? From this
Yes, sir.
x-axis, this line will always form an angle. So
Yes, sir.
that if this angle is theta, then your tan theta will become your slope. Okay, so basically basically what we are seeing the alignment of this line with the x-axis. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Okay,
Payal?
okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Sir, I have a question from
Sir, kindly
activity.
clear my doubt. I have
Yeah,
dropped a
yeah.
screenshot in the chat section.
Yeah. There, what's your name? What's your name?
Sir, Devangi Roy.
Divangi. Yes. Okay, just a minute. Let me share. So what I can do? Can I show that particular thing? Like, can I go with one by one question, or you guys are sending the question?
One
Sir,
by one.
So one by one.
Question.
Yes,
Okay,
sir. Better it
let's see
will.
whether we can finish or not, because there are many activities. Firstly, we will try to practice assignment, okay? Because that is in okay, so this is the question. This question is saying if the distance between point -1, 3 and the line 4x plus c is equals to 0 is 3 by 2. Okay, you have a line, you have a point, and the distance
Yes.
between these to this is given to you, which is 3 by 2. Then find the value of C. Simple. It is simple, right? Suppose you have a point AB and you have a line AX plus BY plus C is equals to 0. So what is the distance formula? What is the shortest distance from this point to this line? It is given by A into A plus B into
B into B
plus C
plus
divided by, this is in mod, okay? Divided by A square plus B
A square
square.
plus B square.
This is the formula, right?
Yes, sir, right.
Right? Right,
Yes, sir.
Divangi? Say something.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So what is the value of A here? 4, right? Value of Y is, you can write it as 0 times Y. So what is the value of Y? So here you can see A is equals to what? 4. B is equals to 0. C is equals to C only. So you need to find the C. So what it will be? And this A is basically what? -1 and B is basically 3. So what it will be? You say, Divangi, what it will
Sir,
be?
0. Sir, it should
0.
be 4 plus C upon under root 4 square.
4 into -1 first. Okay.
Yes, sir.
4 into A na? 4 into -1. Then
Yes, sir.
plus B,
Yes, sir.
0. 0 into what? C plus C. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Plus C divided by
Yes.
what? Divided by A square plus B square. What is
A
A?
square plus B
4.
square,
4
4 square.
is 16. A square, 4 square is 16 plus 0
Yes,
square,
sir.
0 square, 0, 0 only. So what it
Yes,
will be? It is given to you, which is 3 by 2, right? So it will equal to 3 by 2. Just
3 by
equate it.
2.
This is what basically. -4 plus C divided by 4 only, right?
Yes, sir.
And this will be on mod is equals to 3 by 2. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Up to this, any problem? So C
No, sir.
minus
No,
4 is equals to what?
No, sir.
3 into 2, which is 6, right? 2 ones
Yes,
are
sir.
2, 2
Yes,
twos are
sir.
2, and this 2 will multiply to this 3. So it
Yes,
will
sir.
be 6 only. Okay, so you need to find the
A
value of,
doubt.
sorry.
So what is the
So
mode
here
we
what
can
you can see, either C minus 4 will be equal to plus
6 or
6,
-2.
C or C minus 4 will be -6, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Right?
Yes,
This is two possibility.
Yes, sir.
So if this happens, if first one is happen, then what will happen? C is equals to 6 plus 4, which is 10,
10.
right?
10.
If second possibility will
Yes.
happen, then what happens is 6
It will
C is equals to -6 plus 4, which is -2. But
Minus
here
But
C is
in
a positive number.
Positive.
C is a positive number. So
Yes.
we will exclude this one. So we will get only this 10. Right? So
Okay, sir.
your answer will be 10. This is
I have doubt regarding
correct.
Thank you, sir.
why do we use the mod here?
Because what we need to find, we
Distance
need to
can't
find
be
the distance,
negative.
right? Distance we can't take negative. We can't take distance as negative. There is a possibility that you will get some negative number inside it. Okay, so for
Sir, I have a doubt
for
from
taking it
2.5.
positive, sorry.
Okay, thank you.
Sir, I have a doubt from activity 2.5.
Okay, just a minute, just a minute. Please mute yourself if someone has unmuted. Please send that question. No, I am not able to see.
Share the
Sir, I
SS
have a
in
doubt
chat.
from
No?
activity. Oh,
Okay, user has sent some doubt. Session is stopped or not? I have
No,
to
sir.
explain this. It's still going on. I have to explain this SSE one. This is important basically, and it will take some time. Is this visible?
Yes.
This one, the
Yes.
angle formed
Yes,
by
sir.
the intersection of two lines. Just let me know how we can proceed this question. You guys only.
Product of the slopes. is -1. Therefore, the angle is 90 degree perpendicular.
sir,
90
the
degree.
answer should
90
be 90
degree.
degree.
The lines are perpendicular.
Yeah.
They are perpendicular.
Then
That's a small concept told in the lecture.
Yes,
yeah.
sir,
So
but
what is
we
the question? What question is saying? Question is saying the angle formed by the intersection of two lines. Okay, so there are two lines.
Yes.
One, the slope of one line is 1 and another line is -1, right? So this is for one line M1, this is for second line M2.
M2.
What question is saying? Question is sorry, this is the answer. Question is saying what will be the we have to find the angle basically.
Yeah,
okay. So what we have seen, if lines are perpendicular, then M1 into M2 will be -1, right? So one
Yes,
way is
sir.
this. You can directly see, or you can apply directly this tan theta. Tan theta is equals to M1 minus M2 divided by 1 plus M1
tan A tan B.
M2.
this
Right?
whole
So
small
in the denominator part, you will get 0. It means this will going towards infinity. So this will happen what? When?
when tan
This
90.
will happen only when theta is 90.
Perpendicular.
Right? In this line.
Yes, sir.
This and this. Here only it will infinity or minus infinity, right?
Yes.
If someone is
Yes.
from mathematics background, they know about it. So basically for theta is equals to 90, for theta is equal to 90, this tan theta will give me infinite, like it will not define kind of thing, you can say.
For non-mathematical
answer will
background,
be
just remember M1 into M1, M2 equal to -1.
yes.
Sir, how to know which value is M1 and which value is M2, or it doesn't matter?
You can
You
take
can
anyone.
consider any of them.
Okay, okay.
There is
Sir,
mod.
Abhishita has sent
Hello,
it
sir.
out.
I didn't get this question, sir. Please repeat it.
This one,
Yes, sir.
this one, this
Yes,
one.
sir.
Just
Yes,
observe
sir.
here, this is your M1, right? Suppose
Yes,
this
sir.
is your M1, this is your M2, you can take any. Okay.
Okay.
For this case, what if lines are perpendicular, then what? Then their multiplication of the slope M1 and M2 will be -1 only, right?
Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Just take, so here you can see if I take M1 as 1, M2 as -1, what you will get? You will get -1 only. It means both lines are perpendicular. What do you mean by perpendicular? Means the angle between both of the line will be 90 degree only. So this is the correct option. Simple.
When the multiplication of two slopes equal to -1, you have to consider that they are perpendicular.
Like here, when you come for the angle,
Okay, sir.
the perpendicular is like, I mean, by default, when it's perpendicular, it's always 90 degrees.
Yes. Could you please repeat it again? What did you
No,
say?
no. Always, when we say lines are perpendicular, invariably the degree becomes 90 degree.
Yes.
Yes.
Lines are perpendicular. It means what? It
They
means
are making
only
90
the
degree.
angle is right angle only.
Yeah. Just I want to clarify.
Okay.
That. It cannot be an obtuse or acute like that.
No. Perpendicular means the angle between both of the line is 90 degree only. This is the meaning of perpendicular. Okay.
Okay. So,
Sir,
and
please
with
take
regard
that
to,
Abhishita doubt.
so with regard to the infinity part that you defined, I just want some clarification. When you, I mean, what is the reason for that infinity that you are giving, and when that infinity?
See, the thing is, there was M1 is suppose your M1 was -1 and M2 was -1, right? And what is the angle between two lines? The angle between two lines is defined by tan theta is equals to M1 plus minus M2 divided by 1 plus M1 M2, right? This is the formula.
Yeah.
This is the formula. If you put all the values, what you will get? You will get 2 in the numerator and 0. I cannot write, but here this M1 and M2 both will be -1. So denominator part will become 0, right?
Okay.
It means what? This is not defined, or you can say, sir, somewhere infinity you can say. So this thing happens when theta is equals to 90 degree only.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Sir, please take that triangle question sent by Abhishita.
Okay. Please, could you please mute yourself?
Sir, are we going to discuss SSC today?
Yeah, we'll discuss. Once this starts, I am just looking whether this stops SSC. What to say?
Sir, the chat session is over.
Over, right? Okay. Just wait for 2 to 3 minutes. I'll take some more doubts and then we'll start.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
What is this other session we are talking about? I didn't.
It's a statistics session. Another course for data science student.
Okay. Statistics 1 or
Statistic 1.
Okay, but I'm not able to see any invite on the calendar.
So
I
then
think
what
you.
will we start?
That's
Like
on
after
mail.
taking these doubts, what will we start?
Sorry. After the once the session will over, we will start sum squared error. This is the last topic which was remaining, right, in the Friday session. SSE,
Yes.
and I told you that we will start from the scratch.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
And this SSE is part of which
Week 2 content. Week 2 content.
Week 2 content.
Okay.
So once I will start this, I am requesting to everyone, please. Screen is not visible, right?
No, sir.
Please, everyone, please mute yourself. Okay. Okay. Now it's visible, right? Just give me a
Yes,
minute.
sir.
I have a PDF regarding that. Let me open it first.
Sir, once you start SSE, will you be able to mute everybody?
Yeah, I'll mute. No
Please
issue.
mute it. Maybe in chat they can ask their doubts, sir. Because even
Yeah,
if you ask us to mute, they will talk. Because
Yeah.
SSE is important for a qualifier.
Yeah.
So I want to listen to it. Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah, just a minute. Let me open the PDF. Let me see where is it.
Sir,
Yes.
what is this SSE? I don't understand.
Some squared error. It's related, somehow related with the statistic portion.
It will come in
Okay.
5 marker in qualify.
Depends. It's up to question paper as well. It's not mandatory that it will come.
Not every time, but
how does it
So no, sir. I have attended the qualifier in January, and this question was there.
In January
In
there was SSE.
There was this question, and even in the
Yeah.
reattempt, it was there, sir. One question for sure, it comes from SSE.
Yeah,
Okay.
for 5.
Okay, so
How
this
does
is
the SSE
basically
related to mathematics?
just a minute. It is related with mathematics. Just give me some time. Okay, let's start. Let's start the Ram Katha. Okay, I am muting everyone now. If you have some doubt, you can ask on chat box. Okay. Some squared error. So this is basically what? Some squared error. Anyone have any idea about it? Some squared error? Anyone? Anyone have idea? Any idea? No. Anyone? You are able to unmute yourself. Anyone? Any idea?
Sir,
I just
actually,
want.
it is an.
Yes, I have.
See, you have a set of values, and there is a slight deviation in the values that is being recorded, and that is the value that you are getting. So the error that is there, the difference in the error, that we will be able to find.
Okay. What do you mean by error there? Yeah, deviation
Sir, error
you said,
is means
okay.
the distance between the points which we are having, which is not in the line we are getting. That is,
Okay.
and the difference on the coordinates of the line.
Okay. Any other thing?
So the best fitted line
Say this
we
as
found.
outliers.
So it's the average distance between all the points, that is
Yeah,
how
we can
far
calculate
away it
the
is from
best
the
fitting
line we
line.
found.
Any other thing apart from this?
Error is a mistake actually. What is the mistake says, and it's either it's a minimum mistake or else no mistake, zero mistake, maximum mistake, like that.
Okay. Any other comments on this? I
Yes,
just
sir.
want to
Basically,
know your input on this. Wow, what you can understand, what you know actually about this sum squared things. So that I will start. Actually, I am just like Nuna bike. Did you seen that Nuna bike? So for starting that bike, at least you need some petrol kind of thing. Then only you can use by what to say, kerosene.
Sir, error is a value that is a difference between the actual output and the original result.
Okay.
The actual value and the
basic
imaginary
difference
value.
between the basic difference between the theoretical and the experimental values.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Or it's the difference between what is expected and what is what we get.
Okay, so let's start with some squared error. Okay. So suppose there is a chai wala person. Okay, why I am always telling this chai wala person? Okay, there is some fulki, what to say? Bada pav wala person. Okay. So there is a nice person, coffee wala person.
Mute
Say.
everyone, sir.
Yeah, just. I think no one wants to join. Still strength is 141. Okay, so this person has coffee stall. Okay, this is his coffee stall. Once again, I am telling my drawing skill is too bad. Don't judge me by my drawings. Okay, this is his tea stall, and he wants to predict. Okay, predict his income in upcoming few months. Okay, upcoming few months. Actually, what he was thinking is, like, according to base data, whatever you have. Suppose he is a chai wala or coffee wala person, and he is calculating something like he is made a list for day basis. Okay, not month basis. Month basis is too much. So day basis he is making a list like he is like how much he is like what is the cost and how much he is earn money. Okay, earn money. What happened? Visible. What is not visible? Everything is visible, right? Earning. Okay, so he is making a chart like that. So for day one, he expend around 20 rupees just for easy purpose. Like just I am taking the easiness, and he is earning around 40 rupees. Okay, and second day what he is doing, he is expending around 30 rupees, and he is earning around 50 rupees. And the third day like that 40 and around 60, like that. This is happening now. See, this expenditure, whatever he is expending the money, whatever cost he is expending for his tea stall or for his coffee stall, what he is thinking, like, today I have expended that much and I have earned 20 rupees as extra, right? Here I have expended something around 30 rupees. Here I have earning 20 rupees extra. Like if I will like exclude this cost. So here what he's like what he's looking, he's seeing that, yeah, every day I am earning 20 rupees extra, right? 20 rupees extra I am earning. This is my earning for every day, no matter how much I am like how much I am what is my cost, right? So according to this data, like this is not for 3 days, this person has made around 100 days, and according to this 100 days he want to he just want to expand our business. Okay, so he just take one more person for his like a tea or coffee, whatever he is, and he just want to expand his like he just want to market his scheme and whatever he is. My voice is breaking. Am I audible? It is fine, right? Yeah. So basically what he is doing, he is expending something, he is earning something. Okay, and according to that he is just making he is taking the data, and after doing the analysis of this data, he just want to see that whether in upcoming days how much I will earn, and according to this earning he will expend those like he will take some loan from somewhere else, and he will do this kind of thing. Or see, just see in the lower middle class family example, if we will see that kind of example, like in your parents you have seen, like if your parents are earning around suppose 50,000 they are earning in each month, and their expenditure on various things is around 40,000, and they are saving around 10,000 in each month. So according to this particular savings, they will say, yeah, we can bought some TV and all, we can bought some furniture and all, we can make something and all. And according to this savings, what they will do, they will make a future plan and borrow some loan from some bank and all, right? So how they are doing this kind of thing? They are looking like they are predicting some things, right? They are predicting something like in upcoming months, my payment will be higher because my performance very, very good, and I will get something, I will get some extra money from that, right? This kind of thing happens in every home, everyone's home, right? Right? Are you familiar with that? Right? So what we are doing here, whatever we have initially, whatever we have, okay, whatever data we have initially, based on this data, we are predicting something, right? Predicting something, correct? We are predicting something. Now, if you will go with the mathematician, he will see this data, and according to this data, he will give you one function. Okay, whatever it is. Suppose he is giving me function x square plus 2 kind of thing. He is giving me the function, and he will say, sir, if you want to see the 101 days earning, just put your value of cost here, and you will get your earning whatever you can get. According to this function, we can predict this kind of thing, right? Right? Just like in this function, every day I am earning 20 rupees, right? So I will say, sir, in that case, your function will be 20. Now, no matter how much, whatever x you will put, suppose I am taking x is equals to 101. I want to see in 101 day, what it happen. Okay. I just want to see in 101 a day, or I just want to see the 1000th day. What will happen? So I just put x is equals to 1000 here. What I am able to see, I can able to see still I am earning 20 rupees. This is for this data. If I will change the data according to this, I will just analyze this data and I will give you the function, because I can predict the function, right? I can predict the function in my earning. Correct? Say something. Suppose another golgappa wala is there, or bada pav wala is there, and in day one, suppose this is my day count and this is my earning count. Okay, in day one he is earning around 500 rupees. In day two he is earning 450 rupees. In day three he is earning around 600 rupees. In day 4 he is earning around suppose 300 rupees, because there was no population in that day. In 5th day, suppose he is earning around 1000 rupees. School is started now. Every kids want to take his bada pav. His bada pav stall is very famous now. Or some influencer went to his bada pav and he say, wow, bada pav is very good. You can come and then take. This kind of thing is happening. So he earned around 1000 rupees on that day. Okay. So what the thing is going on here? Like here, we can predict some data, right? We can approximate this value, and we can approximate after happening this kind of thing. We can see like, yeah, in another day, he will earn around 500, 1500 rupees because of this influencer. Right? So based on this data, whatever we have, so we can predict a function fx for upcoming days, right? Right? So suppose that function will be some ax plus b, and according to this data, we can find the value of a and b. Right? This is a linear function. We can predict any kind of function. It depends on the data, whatever I am getting. Okay. Say something. Everyone is stopped. Correct? Correct. Okay, I need your comment. So basically okay. So if I am predicting something, suppose if I am assuming something, suppose he is saying, sir, what happens is, if you will see is on 7th day now, so basically my function will be like 500x plus 200. Okay, this is my function. So if you can see, if I will put x, this is my function. Okay, this is my prediction. You will grow according to this function. Suppose you will put x is equals to 1, you will get 500 plus 200, 700 money. Okay, if you will put x is equals to 2, you will get something, or suppose let it be minus or something, whatever it is. But if I am putting some value here for x is equals to 1, for x is equals to 2, for x is equals to 3, okay, these are the days. Once I am putting the days, I am getting the earning. Okay, I am getting the earning. Correct or not like this? Okay, let me reframe it. This function. Okay, this is basically 2x plus 500. This is okay. So in the first day, in the day 1, what happens is, in the day 1, if I will put x is equals to x is equals to 1, it means in day 1 I just want to say. So what will be my f1? 502, right? 502. Correct. In day 2, what it will be? 504. Correct. Correct. Say something. Yes. So similarly, what I am seeing, I am not getting the exact data, right? Whatever my prediction is, I am not getting the exact data. Correct. Correct. It means there are some error which is happening here, right? There are some error. And what is my motivative? If my prediction is something, so what is my motivative? My motivation. So basically, what is my observation? My observation is that if I am predicting something, okay, predicting something, then there will be some error, right? Say something. There will be some error always, because that is not exact. I am predicting something. There will be some error. Okay. So what is my motivation? Someone will say, what is my motivation? What will be my motivation? When I will say I am a good predictor, or I am to reduce the error. So my motivation is to reduce the error. Okay, right? I just want to reduce the error, whatever I am getting, so that I can I can go as much as close I can, right? Right? I just want to see how accurate I am predicting something. Correct? 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 So for that, what happens is, I have some prediction fx, I have some data, and according to these data, I need to find the error. Now, this error will be many kind of error will be there. Suppose it's a simple error is like that. This is your earning, and what is your prediction? In first day, you are saying this is your prediction. So what is the first way? The first way is directly exclude this one thing. Take the absolute things. Correct. This difference will give you the error, which is 2 in that case. Right. This is one way. This is the one way to see the error. Okay. There are many ways to see the error. So one other way of seeing error is known as sum squared error. Okay. Okay. So this is the way of seeing the error, and this thing will come in your stats portion as well. Okay. So in that case, what will happen? You will have some data. Okay. You will have some data. Whatever data it is, you will have some data. Okay. Some x value, some y value. And according to this data, someone has predicted one function fx. Okay. Whatever it is, some ax plus b kind of. In your course, they are treating only linear function. Okay. There will be some data and there will be some function. Correct. Now you need to calculate the error. Correct? You need to calculate the error. First way is directly subtract this one fx minus y. You will get the error. Another way is, it is saying, sir, just do this thing, and suppose here you are getting 1. Here you are getting 2, 3, 4, 5. And here what I say? Suppose 4, 5, 3, 6, 8. This is your what? This is your data. Okay. So here each xi you have yi, right? This is x1, this is x2, this is x3, this is x4, this is x5. So for each xi you have some yi, right? This is y1. For x1 this is y1. For x2 this is y2. For x3 this is y3. For x4 this is y4, right? For x5 this is y5. Correct? My voice is breaking still? No, right? Yes. Understood up to this? Any doubt? Any doubt? No, right? Okay. Now we have xi. Suppose my function is fx is equals to x plus 2. Or what to say? Yes, x plus 2. This is enough. This is my function. What I am saying, I have not done, I did not done anything. Okay. Currently, what I say, suppose you have data. Basically, my duty is to reduce the error. What kind of error it is? I have assumed some function based on my data, and for the upcoming values, I just want to reduce error as much as I can. Okay, so for that I am giving you the example. Suppose you have this data table. This is the portion for your input, whatever cost you have done, or it can be anything like maybe days or rupees or whatever it is. And this is according to this output you are getting. Okay. And for the further values, you are predicting this function. This is the function, your predicted function. Okay. Okay. Now, what you want to see? You have to see the error. Okay. You have to see the error. So one by one, for fx1, just take. So here I am making another column. Fx. I am making another column. So according to x1, what will be my fx1? 3, right? What you need to see? You need to see f3. F3 will be what? 3 plus 2. Correct? Just put x1 here. So it will be 5. So I have put 5 here. Similarly, what is your x2? What is your x2? X2 is 2. So what is your fx2? Which is f2 basically. And this is what? 2 plus 2, which is 4. Correct? Say something. Okay. Similarly, what about fx3? What will be your fx3? It will be what? F3. This is what basically 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 is what? 5. Here it will be 3 on. Okay. Because you need to find F1, not F3. This is X1, right? This is X2. This is X3. This is X4. This is X5. Okay. So this will be 3. Sorry. Okay. Similarly, what will be the value of fx4? It will be f of 4. This will be 4 plus 2, 6. In that case, I am getting the same value. Correct? Okay. What about the f of 5? F of x5. F of x5 is basically f of 5 only. This will be what? This will be what? 5 plus 2, which is 7. So here you are getting 7. Correct? So what I have done here, I initially I have input value, output value, and the predicted function. Correct? And the predicted function that I have. What I have done now, I have just I am just putting the input value whatever I have, and according to that I am seeing whether seeing the functional value. Correct? And I have listed this one. Right? And this function is what? Prediction of output, right? This function was prediction of output. Correct? Say this function was prediction of output. Right? So I need to see the error. So what will be my error in that case? Fxi minus yi. Correct? This will be my error. Correct? Correct? So what I will do? What I will do? One by one I will do. Firstly, for x1, fx1 minus y1, what it will be? Say 4 minus 3, correct? 3 minus 4, right? It will be minus 1. We will take it. Okay. Similarly, I'm not taking absolute thing currently. fx2 minus y2. You just say what it will be. This is for you. What it will be? 5 minus 4, correct? 4 minus 5. Okay, 4 minus 5. Will be what? Minus 1 again. Okay, what will be my fx3 minus y3? It will be, this is my y3 and this is my fx3. So it will be 5 minus 3, which is 2. What about fx4 minus y4? What it will be? 6 minus 6, 0. Okay. What about fx5 minus y5? 7 minus 8 or 8 minus 7? 7 minus 8, which is minus 1. Understood up to this? This is the error. Basic error you can say. Okay. So in the sum squared error, what it will what this say? Basically, it is saying you don't need to anything. What you will do? Whatever you are getting here, no, just do square of this. All the things. Just do square. Just do square. If you will do square, so here it will be square. This will be square. Correct? Say something. Nothing I am doing. I am just doing the square of the error of component wise. Correct? So here what you will get? 1, 1, then 4, then 0, then 1. It will automatically be positive, right? It is automatically get positive. Correct? Now further what you need to do? Just add all these things. Just add it. So what will be the total one? 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 4 is 6, plus 0, 6, plus 1, 7. So this will be your sum squared error. Okay. So what is sum squared error? Basically, initially you have some data. Okay, data. According to this data, you will get some xi's and yi's. Correct? This you will get. You will have some initial function. This will be given on the linear function, some ax plus b kind of thing. Okay. What you need to do? You just need to do this one. fxi minus yi whole square and just take its sum. I is equals to 1 to 5. In this case, I is equals to 1 to 5 and 1 to n you can say. And this will be your sum squared error. Okay. Expected value minus actual value whole square and sum it. Clear, everyone? See, this is one way of doing, one way of looking errors. Okay, this is one way of looking error. You just say if this particular square thing, this particular thing will be small. This particular thing will be small. This inner side will have to be automatically small, right? Then only this whole thing will be small, because after doing square, this is positive, this is also positive, this is also positive, this is also positive, this is also positive. This is the one way of seeing, looking the error. Okay, there are many ways. Normal error, you will just look by this fxi minus mod of fxi minus yi. Okay, many errors are there. Understood? Okay. I'm unmuting yourself. If you have some doubt, please ask. So that, or if not, then I'll ask you the question on that.
Sir, please explain why one.
Could you please repeat once again?
Sir, why we
Repeat once
squared
again,
it?
please.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Okay, I am repeating
Sir, I
once
have a
again.
doubt, sir.
Sir, I
I
have
am
a doubt.
repeating once again. If still you have doubt,
Can I ask
you
my
ask.
doubt, sir?
Yes, sir, I
Yes,
have
sir.
doubt.
I am
I have a
repeating once
doubt, sir.
again. I am
Just stop for
repeating
a
once
while.
again.
Sir is repeating.
I am repeating once again. Okay. Okay. So suppose some coffee wala bhaiya, okay, coffee wala bhaiya wants to expand his business, and he just looking his earning in day basis. He just looking his earning in day basis, and what he say? What he is looking that in day one he is earning 4 rupees, or what we say, suppose 4,000, or in day two he is earning 5,000. Yes, itna easy hai. Okay, in day 3 he is earning 3,000, 4, 6,000, 5, 8,000. This kind of earning he is doing, like this kind of earning he is having. Okay, now some mathematician come into the picture. Suppose his son is mathematician and he is saying, Dad, we are getting this much earning, and we have to expand our business. So his dad is asking, this is our previous data, this is my previous file, whatever we have, this is my previous thing that we have, and now according to this data, you just predict what will be our further income. Okay, so according to this data, he is given a function which is fx is equals to x plus 2, and he is saying further, according to this function, if you will put anything like x is equals to 10. Suppose his father is asking in 10th day what will be my income. So he is predicting, he will just put x is equals to 10 here, and he is getting 10 plus 2, which is 12k. So he will say, sir, bhaiya, father, in 10th day we can get approximate 12k. Okay, we will save this much amount. We will save this much amount. So according to that, according to this amount, his father has borrowed some loan somewhere else. Now, my question is whether this prediction is always true. No, right? So for that, what will happen? We need to see the error. We need to see the error. So what is the simplest way of seeing the error? Just calculate the day, whatever data you have, and according to that data, just put the functional value of like input here and see the functional value. And the simplest way of seeing the data is just directly do the minus and see the absolute value. This is the one way to seeing the error. Correct? This is the prediction value, and this is the actual value that you are getting. Correct? Then this is the way that you are seeing the error, right? Everyone, please say. Right? So in the sum squared error case, just look at the name. It is saying just firstly do sum squared error, right? Sum squared error, right? So whatever error you are getting, just do a square of that and then do sum. This is the error. Do square and then do sum. This is what you are getting, right? So this was the actual error that you are getting. So in this sum square thing, he is just saying just do square of this and do sum. Like if this for this one, all or sum it. Okay, then whatever value you will get here, just like this, you will get, this will be the sum squared error. Basically what we are doing here, this one by fx1 minus y1 whole square plus fx2 minus y2 whole square plus like this, lastly fx5 minus y5 whole square, right? So from here 1 plus what, 4 is there, plus 0 is there, plus 1 is there, 3 to 5. Yes, so this will become 7. So this will be my sum squared error in that case. Okay, so if this error is feasible, like if this error will be like if his father is agree with this error, yeah, if this much error will be there, I am agree to take risk, then he will take the risk. If he is not agree, then he will think about something. Okay, this kind of thing happens in your daily life, in stocks and all. They were predicting where will be the stock go. Okay, either it will be up or it will be down. That kind of thing happens every day. According to this kind of error, how much risk I can take. So this sum squared error thing is very important. Or someone was asking to me why we are doing this kind of course. So because you just need to familiar with this kind of functions, which will be helpful in getting the error. As a data analyst, you have to analyze the data, whatever you have, just like this. This is just 5. You have 5 input. There will be around 1,000 or crores. In crores, input was there, and according to some software, you have to analyze that data, and according to that data, you have to predict something. And according to your prediction, company will follow this thing. Company will take risk just after looking your error, whatever you are getting. Okay, and this kind of thing you will use in your statistic things. Okay, understood? Now any doubt? Any doubt why we are doing this kind of thing here? Please ask, or otherwise I will give you one question on that.
Sir, can you please explain this in terms of like the distance between group of points and a line, that equation? There is a formula, I think, given in the lecture.
Sorry, what did you say? Could you please repeat it again?
Sir, there was a formula given by the teacher in the lecture about the distance from some set of points to the line. So can you please explain this in the
Could you
SSC
please
lecture?
send me that one? I don't remember because I have
Okay,
seen
sir.
that video many months
Sir, I
before.
have two doubts.
Yes.
I have.
Sir, why
Yes, you
we
may ask.
squared the sum? Why we squared
That's what
the
I am
error
saying.
we
Now,
got?
that's what I am saying. This is the one way to looking the error. That is why
Yes.
we named it by sum squared error. That is why we named
Okay,
it. Otherwise, I can call it just error only, right? Why I am calling
Yes.
it sum squared error? There are some,
Yeah.
there are some reasons,
Sir,
right?
okay, so sir, one more thing. Sir, the variable which we choose x plus 2 in case, sir, if we choose x plus 3 and the final value is lesser than 7, so we can say that the error in the variable we
Yeah,
choose
that
is
that
less, so
function, whatever, yeah, the error is less. It means the
is
function
more
is more
accurate.
accurate. Yes, the function is more accurate.
Okay, sir.
Sir, this
Sir?
particular problem, the solutions only
Sir, I have a doubt,
explains
sir.
about the what is the actual with the predicted value. So the actual whatever the prediction function we are deriving from the previous history, right? So what are the considered? So I can just compare with my business, my company of workings. So we always do the budgeting. So what is the budget for the next year, and we'll do the consideration. So then we'll align with the actuals. So we'll compare what is the budget with actual, we are aligned or not. So the accuracy is larger. So we will we can understand there is a big errors are there. We are not properly predicted. So I think this only the data, this only this here, this portion only telling the what is the error, it is a low or high, that only the input from this calculation, right?
Yeah, this is the one thing. Like, I am not giving you every input on this. I'm not giving you the every input. I am just giving you how to calculate this kind of thing. This will not the question. Like in further, like currently you will in qualifier, after qualifier exam, you just need to calculate the error only. Now further, once you will start learning something, then they will ask you about the function, not about the error. Okay.
Understood.
Just looking by the what to say, by the data, you need to predict the function. Okay, and it's not like you will just directly once you see the data and directly you say, yeah, this is the function. Then there is a possibility there will be more function which will be more accurate. Correct? Or it's not about the function. Okay, what happens is You don't need, actually you need to give a program on that. It's
Understood,
not
sir.
like you can see each and every value, right? There will
Right.
be some program on your whatever language you are using, Python, Java, whatever it is. So in that program, they will input something, they will do input something, and according to that input, there will be some error. According to that error, they will be decide whether we have to we have to take the risk or not. This kind of thing happen. Simple. I
Understood,
am
sir.
एक
Thank you,
डाउट
sir.
है
Thank you, sir.
सर,
yes.
जैसे एक्स आई की वैल्यू 0 से लेके 100 तक के इंटरवल के बीच है, तो हमें 0 से लेके 100 तक का सबका एरर निकाल के उसका स्क्वायर करके सम करना पड़ेगा। लेंथ में जाएगा ना ये तो।
Exactly. But don't worry, they will not going to ask that much length. This is the question number 21. Most probably this will comes from your
You
practice
can use
assignment.
arithmetic terms,
Sir,
right?
I have one doubt.
Just take a look.
Sir, I
Yes.
have
I
one
have a
doubt.
doubt,
Can I
sir.
ask?
Yes.
Sir,
Sir, it's regarding this function that you just spoke now. Now they're giving us the function, but you're saying that after a few terms, we have to find the function. So I was about to
How
ask you
you
that.
can-
How will we
how-
arrive at that function?
And don't worry, you can learn those things
Okay.
in further future. Currently, I am not able to give you the answer, and you are also not able to listen the answer. Don't worry.
Okay.
Sir, is
Sir,
this the way how to check
I
this
have a
question?
doubt, sir. Can I ask? Hello?
You need to write
Sir.
a program on that and just put the value. Yes.
Sir,
See,
by this
firstly
function,
solve
Sir,
this
we
the
question.
can
thing
Firstly
is,
solve
in
this
the
question.
lecture, sir,
Yes.
in the
Yes.
lecture we
Yes.
saw that sir has done yi minus fxi. In the
Doesn't
lecture,
matter, na,
sir
ये
has done like that way. I know in square both become same. So it is not a problem, right? If we do in this way or that way, both are same.
Yes. Square is there, na? No issue.
Okay, sir.
We just want to find the error. That's
Okay,
it.
sir.
That is my motive. Okay,
Sir.
this is the question 21 which is given. Everyone, please solve this question. You have 2 minutes.
Sir.
Or let's just take 3 minutes. Currently time is, what is the time? Currently time is 9:37. I'll ask this just a minute. 9:39. Okay, just start solving this. Same thing is there. Yes, now ask.
Sir,
Sir, if
actually,
many
I have a
functions are
general doubt.
satisfying the
Sir, in
question,
graded
sir, then
assignment,
which
I'm
will
getting one
be
of the answers
selected?
as a decimal.
One
Is
by
that
one.
okay?
One by one. One
Sir,
by one ask.
can I go ahead?
Yeah.
In graded assignment, I don't know if it's correct or not, but I'm getting one of the questions answer as in decimal points. So should
That's
I
what
write
I am
it?
saying. No, that's what I am saying. In the beginning of the class, I said just write that up to 2 decimal or 3 decimal. That's it.
Okay, sir.
Just see it.
Sir, I have a
If
doubt,
there,
sir.
yes.
Yes, sir. If two functions are satisfying the question, sir, then which one would we choose, sir? That is more
Two function
accurate.
are satisfying the question.
Yes,
Both
sir.
will be correct.
In real life.
MSQ kind of question was also there, right? There is a possibility more than 2 or 3 options are correct.
Yes, sir. Sir, in real life, if any company, sir, would have to choose that, sir, then what would be the correct one?
Where you are getting lesser risk.
Okay, sir. Sir, the risk would also be calculated with that, sir.
Risk would be calculated. How much time you are getting in calculation, that is also calculated. Everything is calculated.
Yeah.
What is the computational complexity is there, that will also calculated. It's not like, yeah, you are whatever program you have written, that is very accurate, and but you are getting the result in 4,000 year. It's not like, no.
Yeah.
We want that result as soon as we can, as soon as possible. This is the case.
Okay,
So
sir.
everything we have to see. It's not like just accuracy. It's not depend. Even if you are giving more like it's not accurate that much, but you are getting in a lesser time, that will be preferable one. Otherwise, yeah, it's not like you are. See, I don't have that much thing currently. Otherwise, I will let you know how it will take that much time. But further, you will see in our upcoming programming courses. why
Sir,
computational
don't know how
complexity
to
is
approach
very
the question,
important.
sir.
Sorry,
Okay, sir.
sorry.
Don't know how to approach the question.
How to upload this question? I have uploaded this one.
Approach, sir, approach.
Approach
Yes.
this question. Just
Yes.
I'll explain. Just wait up to wait till it's already 9:40. Okay. Many of you are getting m is equals to 2. This one. Okay. Everyone is getting 9 is equals to 2.
So 2.5.
2 and 5. 2 and 5. How you can get 2 and 5? 2.5. Okay. Only one option is correct. How you are getting 2.5? Okay, let's see what is the question. Question is saying, this kind of question they may ask. Okay, question is saying, a new detective agency came up. Okay, a new detective agency came up with a relationship H is equals to M into F. This is just a variable. Okay, you can treat it as H is equals to mx plus 70. If you can you are considering this is as x. Okay, where h is the height of male adult in centimeters and f is the length in centimeters of the humor bone. Okay, whatever this humor bone is, we are not interested on this. We are interested on this data only. They have used the following simple set below in the table such that some squared error is minimum. Okay, so basically this is your input. Sorry, this one is your input f, this is your x input, this is your output y. Okay, any doubt up to this? This is your input, this is your output.
No, sir.
No doubt, right? Everyone? Right? This is your output. Correct. This is saying which value I will take, and this is your function h is equals to mx plus 70. Okay, so which value I will take for m is equals to 1, m is equals to 1.5, m is equals to 2, or m is equals to 2.5, so that the sum squared error is minimum. SSE will be minimum. Correct. So what is the best way of doing this? I need to take one by one, right? For option 1, what I will do? I will take m is equals to 1. Then I will start. So what it will be? X plus 70 now. Correct. Correct. This is my function now.
Yes.
Say something. Now this is my function. According to this function, I need to calculate the error. Simple. So for error.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So one by one I need to calculate. Firstly, I need to calculate hx1. What will be my hx1? It means h of 40. Correct. This is my x1, no? This is my x1, this is my x2, this is my x3, this is my x4. Correct.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, this is my y1, this is my y2, this is my y3, and this is my y4. बोलो भैया, ठीक है यहाँ तक?
Yes, sir.
So what will be my h of 40? My h of 40 will be here. X is equals to 40. You need to put here. H is equals to x plus 70 is there, no? For m is equals to 1. So just put 40. 40 plus 70 you will get. This will be what?
110.
110.
Similarly, what will be my hx2?
112.
150.
150. How it will be?
No, sir. No, sir.
112, no?
Yes.
Similarly, what will be hx3? H of 48. 118.
For 42, there would be 160. Na? There is
Sorry?
160. For 42,
What?
there is 160. Na?
See,
That's the
we
y
are
value.
looking h value. This is my h function. I am just putting the value here. X value. Okay. This is my predicted value. Whatever I am getting here for m is equals to 1, this is my predicted value.
Yeah.
Actual value is above. How height in centimeter, this kind of thing. It's already given. Okay. What about hx4? It will be
126.
h of 56. 56 plus 70. 126. Correct? So this is my predicted value that I am getting. I got here. What I need to calculate now? Here I need to calculate. Yeah.
From the actual data.
Here I need to calculate hxi minus yi, or someone will say yi minus hxi, right?
Yes, sir.
Correct? So what it will be now? Just do subtraction. Y1 is what? 150.
40.
And this is 110. So it will be minus 40, or let's take 40.
Then
Let's
40.
take modulus.
Yes.
What it will be?
38.
112.
48.
160 minus 112. What it will be? 160. You need to
48.
subtract 160. 112. It will be 48, right?
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
yeah.
No? Yes, 48. Now, 170 minus 118. What it will be? 50? 52. If I'm not wrong.
52. 52. Yes.
62.
52 or 62?
52.
52. What it will be? Now, 180 minus 126. 64, I guess. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
64, 54. 64 or 54?
54.
54. 54. Okay. Now it's correct.
Yes, sir.
Right? This is my one thing that I got. Now, further what I need square of this thing, right? hxi minus yi whole square. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So what will be the square of this? 40?
1600.
What about 48?
1600.
Okay, just let's use calculator for that.
Okay. We can use calculator also now.
Yeah, in
2304.
exam.
2304.
2304.
Where's
Okay.
packet में Oliver?
What about 52
Packet
square?
में डालो.
2704.
2704. Okay, what about 54 square?
2916.
2916. Okay, so this is the sum squared error. So what I need to do further for sum squared error? What will be my SSE?
Just we have to
Whatever
add.
I am
Sum.
getting here, just we need to add it, right?
Yes, sir.
Right. So what it will be? 4, 4, 4, 4, 8, 8, 6, 14,
Plus 6,
1,
14,
2,
2,
and
7, 8, 10,
7,
9,
3,
19.
9,524.
9.
9524.
9524.
9, 9524.
Yes, sir.
How?
9524.
Yeah, 9524. Yes. Okay. 9524. This is my SSE I am getting for m is equals to 1.
1.
Similarly, what you need to do? You need to calculate
We have
for
to
m is
do
equals to
1.5.
1.5.
1.5. 2.
Then 2 and then 2.5. Okay.
Yes. Then m is equals to 2. And then m is equals to 2.5. For every m, what you will get? You will get distinct h. For every m, your h will be distinct. It means your predicted function will be different.
Sir, it is quite much lengthy.
It is quite much lengthy, but this is for your practice.
Yes, sir.
In the exam, they will not going to ask that much lengthy question. Don't worry. But this is for your practice. That is why it is from practice assignment, no?
Yes, sir.
So you can solve. Now what you need to do further, once you get SSE for each and every one, for m is equals to 2, for m is equals to 2.5, for m is equals to 1.5. just compare which SSE is less. Okay, which SSE is less. If suppose you are getting less SSE, suppose here you are getting 25. Okay, you are getting 25 here. It means m is equals to 2 is your correct option. It means for m is equals to 2, whatever function you will get, that will be the more accurate function. Okay.
Because there is less. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Understood?
Okay, sir.
Everyone? Any doubt?
Yes.
No, sir.
Please ask.
No, sir.
Sir. No.
Calculator will be provided in the exam. Yes,
Yes,
Sayan,
sir.
what is the doubt?
Sir, can I tell you how I did the problem? You can let me know
Yes,
if I
yes,
did it
yes.
correctly or I've done it wrongly.
Method is easier. Yeah. Please,
Okay.
please.
So what I did
You're
was we have the equation that is h they have given us. I mean h they have given mf plus 70. And here in the table column, they have given 150, 160, 170, 180. So what I did was I found out m for each h and f. So for the first one, I got 2. M is equal to 2 from the tabular column. I didn't take these options that you did. I did the opposite way. I found out m for each value that they've given here for h and f. So first one I got 2, second one I got 2.14. I just solved that equation 2.08, and the last one I got 1.96. But now we don't have 1.96 and the nearest number was 2, so I have selected 2. Is my
Sir, I
approach right?
also
No.
do this.
What you are doing is you are
Sir,
assuming that this one is the correct function. Correct?
Okay, that like how
You
you did
are
only that way.
basically you are this h is equals. No.
Sir, please mute this
Let
person.
me explain what you did first. Okay. Who is this person?
Singing in the background.
Someone is singing, I guess.
Someone
Who
is
is
having some kind of
it?
noise in the background.
I don't know who is it.
So is it, it's like, we have all the values, like we have the values of h, x and the 70. So by using all the other values given, I think she is calculating the m. It is similar to what I did. Like I calculated the m for all the values.
Let me clear first. What she have done is she is just putting x value, whatever she is getting. Then suppose here he is getting m 40 times m plus 70. And what is h40 for his? It is 150, right? And from here he got the value of m. If I am not wrong, correct?
Yes, correct, Ji.
Correct.
Yes, sir.
If now again she put as x is equals to 42 and equated by 62, and again she got m, and she looking for the closest m, whatever in the option. No, this is not correct. Why this is not correct? Because we need to calculate the error. Okay, we need to find for which the error is minimum. We don't need to find the minimum value of m, or we don't need to find the closest value of m. Here, whatever you are doing, it is correct, totally incorrect. Why it is totally incorrect?
Yes,
because here directly you are assuming this is the function which will give you the exact value, not approximate value. This function will give you the exact value. But this is a predicted function. This will not going to give the exact value. Okay. It means if you are taking m for this person, suppose for here you are getting m is equals to 2. Suppose I'm not saying you will get the m is equals to 2 here. Suppose you are getting m is equals to 2 here. Yeah, here you will get the m is equals to 2. Then what happens is for this person you will get error 0. Normal error will be 0 for this person. For other person it will make difficulty. Okay. This function whatever you will get, this may become a like accurate function which will give me the more accurate value, but it's not like this will always be the accurate function. You are getting my point? What I am saying.
Okay, sir.
Getting my point? So doing this kind of thing just for reducing your efforts, I don't think so this is the good way.
Yes.
Okay. Sometimes you may get a correct answer, but it's not like every time you will get the answer.
Fine, sir. Thank you.
Sir,
Also, one more way is there. do not put the value of m directly. Okay. So in the sum squared thing, yeah, this will be a really complicated, but you will directly get the answer from here. So what it will be basically, what you have, hx is equals to this color is fine, right? Mx plus
Yes.
70. Let me use white one. This is more rich. Okay. Yeah, you have. I am appreciate you. I am appreciating you. You have think out of the box. Okay. Okay. So just see what is H40. Then what is H? What is it? 42, 48, and 52, right? 42, 48, and then H52. What it will be? 40x plus 70. Sorry, 40m plus 70. Then what is it? Sorry, 42m plus 70. Then 48m plus 70. Then
56m.
52m plus 70. 56 or 52 is there? 56 is there.
52.
56.
56. Yes, sir. 56.
Okay. So this is your predicted value, right? This is your predicted value in terms of m. I am not directly putting m value here, right? Now, just let's calculate this one. Hxi minus yi whole square directly. Directly, without putting the value of m, directly we are doing this kind of thing. Now, further you will get a equation, okay, something like am square plus bm plus c, okay, something like this. Now, directly put the value of m now, so you don't need to calculate everything here.
Roots.
Okay, this is one way, but this will go to the lengthy, very lengthy. Sorry, this will not go to the lengthy, but there is a high chances for committing mistake in that way. Okay, that is why I have to tell you, just put m value m and then solve. Otherwise, you can go with this way as well. Okay, understood?
Yes, sir.
Initially,
Understand.
here I am not putting the value of m directly. I am solving with my m.
Sir,
Yes. Yes.
sir,
Yes.
will you just hear me out for a second?
Yeah.
So what I did is I also did as she said, I found the m value in all cases, but after that in all cases I put the m value in the equation and found the h. So for m is equal to 2 I found it 150, for 2.14 I got it 159.88, just like that for 170 169.84, and for 180 179.76. So after we subtract it and if we square and then we add, so will it work like that? I actually did solve it completely as you were saying the other method. So will this work?
Okay. So, could you please explain me again? What did you do?
Yeah.
What?
So just she said, like I also found the value of m in all four equations. For m is equal to 2, m is equal to 2.14, m is equal to 2.08, and m is equal to 1.96. Now I put the value of m in the equation and found the h in each and every case. So for first I got 150 and 150. For second I got it 160 and 159.88. For third, I got it 170 and 169.84, and for fourth, I got it 180 and 179.76. So now, if we subtract this and then we square it and then we add it, so will it work?
Why
like
you are
that?
subtracting this? Why you are subtracting this?
As it is fx1 minus y1 in this equation, so fx is generally mean h, no, and y is the
But you
value
are
that we get.
like you are directly equating it by 150, no? 150, 160, 170, and 180. Directly you are equating that what one side you are putting fxi, and you are doing so. They see where you are committing mistake. What you are doing, you are putting yi one side and equating it by fxi, and according to this you are getting m. Correct? This thing you are getting. But this is not true, na? This is always not true, because you know this fxi minus yi will be some number, something, some k kind of thing, some number will be there here, right? It's not
Yes.
zero.
Yeah.
If it is zero, then you can do this thing, but it's not zero, correct?
Hmm.
Correct. This thing you can do only when it's zero, but this is not zero. If this is not zero, this is some number. How you are doing this?
But sir, I
Sir,
actually did put
sir, I
yes.
worked in Excel and I pasted in the chat box. Can you check this is okay? So it's matching with 2. Is a less error.
Yeah, 2 is the correct answer.
I pasted
So
in the chat
yeah,
box.
I have seen. So he has done in Excel sheet. Nice work. Everyone is able to see?
Yeah.
This one. So he have done this one with the help of
No, sir, can you
Excel.
please just tell him to resend that? Because
I am. You are not able to see the screen, whatever I am showing here.
no, sir, I can see the screen where you have done the works, but not the Excel file.
Is in the chat.
Just a minute.
Maybe you go to open chat box, sir. So
yeah, now you are able to see everyone.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Just see this Excel. He has done this one. So this is the way you can do, but he has done in Excel. You have to do with the pen and paper in the exam. Okay. Thanks for showing me this. This will help a lot. Okay, now you understood where you are committing mistake. Everyone who have done this yi is equals to
Yes.
fxi thing. What is the mistake here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, this is the table. If you want to take a screenshot, you can take, or you can download from chat box as well. Okay, thank you. Okay. Any doubts on sum squared error? This is important. That's why I'm asking, and that's why I'm forcing you.
No, sir. All right.
Clear,
No,
sir.
sir.
Clear.
Okay. So now you can ask your doubt, whatever you have.
Sir, can I send my doubt in the chat box?
Yeah, one by one, but okay. One by one. Not now, sir. Any concept based doubt, if you have, you can ask. I'm again asking.
What is this
Sir, I sent mine.
motivation?
Sorry.
Least square motivation.
Least square solution. Oh yeah. Thank you for reminding me. Least square
Sir,
solution is there. One more thing is there. Least square solution, but it will not going to ask. Least square. What is this basically? Basically, least square. It means what we need. We need this thing as like as much small as we can, right? This error. So basically, see, there is one question like this. Okay. Someone was asking why we are using the distance formula in the beginning of the class. So this is the answer. This is one line. Okay. One line. And this is another thing. This is one point. Now I need to find the smallest distance. This is also a distance. This is also a distance. This thing I think I have explained in Friday's class. This is also distance. This is also a distance, right? I need to find the smallest distance from this origin. Started with distance between origin to this line. Suppose this line equation is what to say? Which kind of equation? This is supposed to be. This is supposed to. So y plus 2. Y. What to say? Y is equals to x plus 3. When you will put x equals to 0, you will get 3. Yeah, so this is minus 3, suppose. Okay. So this is the equation of line y is equals to x plus 3, and this is origin. Now you need to find a shortest distance. Okay. How will you find? Let me know. You have a direct formula, that I know, but if I will say that is not that formula you don't have, then what will you do? You do not have that formula, then what will you do?
Sir, the perpendicular one is the shortest one.
That you know, perpendicular one is the shortest one, right? So what will you do? But if you don't have that one, so what you can do? You can take any arbitrary point in this line, right? Right?
Yeah.
Any arbitrary point in this line, what kind of point it will be? It will be x plus 3 kind of point will be there, right? In this line, any arbitrary point will be look like this only. Y is equals to x plus 3 you will put, right? Any arbitrary point will be look like this only.
Yeah.
So, okay, so you have taken an arbitrary point, and what you need to do? You need to see in what point this distance, the distance from this origin will be shortest, right? So how will you give? What is the formula of distance? It will be x square. This is the point that you have, right? AB, and suppose CD is another point. So what will be the formula? A minus C whole square plus B minus D whole square.
Yes, sir.
Right? So it will be what basically x square, x minus 0 whole square plus x plus 3 minus whole square. So this is x square plus x plus 3 whole square, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Correct? Correct. So in the program, you need to write this kind of thing. Now, if you are able to minimize this thing, you are done, right? You need to minimize this one, right? This is the distance basically.
Yes, sir. We
This is
have
the
to
distance,
minimize.
right?
Yes,
So basically, if this distance, I will write it as d. So this is basically what? X square plus x plus 3 whole square. By example, I am explaining. So if you see d square, what will be my d square? It will be x square plus x plus 3 whole square. Correct? You are getting a quadratic equation.
Yes, sir.
Who know about this quadratic equation? You are getting the quadratic equation, and you know how can you minimize this kind of thing. Correct? So this all those things you need to do.
Yes.
So what you are doing, those value of x will be the solution of this, that will become your least square solution. So you're getting my point? Getting my point? It means you have take a point here, and you are taking this point like this, and at one point, suppose here, where you can draw a perpendicular from origin to this line, this point will give you the solution, which will be the least. And since that solution is the least, that solution will give me the least distance. This solution will give me the shortest distance between this point to this line. That's why this particular point is known as least square solution. Now understood?
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Why we are saying it is least square solution? Because that point is giving me the least distance. Okay, if you have direct formula, you can do that one, but like graphically, this kind of thing is happening inside. Okay.
सर मैं हेलो सर मैं ऑन वे था अभी तो ये सब यूट्यूब पे सर अवेलेबल होगा आपने जब ये पढ़ाया है
हाँ
Sir, I've sent my doubt in the chat.
Sir, I sent the doubt.
A little confused in the last one.
So what was my motive? Basically, this is not important from the exam, but just for information purpose, I'm saying. This is my point. It can be origin or it can be anywhere else. Okay, this is my point. What I need to find? I need to find the shortest distance from this point to this line. So everyone knows what will be the shortest distance. If I draw a perpendicular from this point to this line, Okay, and wherever this perpendicular cuts my this line, this line, that particular point will be the shortest. That particular point will give me the shortest distance, right? Right. So
Yes, sir.
how can I find that point? I have a direct formula for finding the shortest distance. But what about this point? I need to find that point. How will I find? So I told you one thing you can do, just take an arbitrary point
Arbitrary.
in this line that will be given by this
Yes,
x
sir.
and x plus b, and see the distance of this x and x plus 3 with the origin or whatever point you have, arbitrary point you have. And what you can do, you try to minimize that particular thing. If you are getting this one, try to minimize it. Okay, after minimizing it, you will get some value of x. For that, this d square will be minimum. Okay, and that value of x, once you get the x, you can get this x plus 3, right? And that
Yes,
value of
sir. Yes,
x and
and
x
then
plus
we can
3
find the
will give
value,
you the point of
the point.
intersection with this perpendicular and that line. It means that will give you, if you consider that point, then distance between this point to this point will be the minimum distance, will be the
Minimum.
shortest distance of this line to this point. That is
Yes,
why,
sir. Now
since
got it. Yes, sir.
this particular point is giving me the least distance, that is why I am saying this is the least square solution. Why square? Because we are looking for d square, not exactly d.
Yes, sir. Got it, sir.
Sir, may I come in?
Everyone? Yes, yes, you are coming. Yes, yes.
Sir, that means if you have a question that if x line, some line y is equal to mx plus c is what is the shortened distance, we have four probable answers. Then either we can find the slopes and find which is the perpendicular. Otherwise, we can find the like what you have shown. We can find
See,
the
if
least.
they are,
But
see, if they are asking for the shortest distance, this kind of Ram Katha you don't need to do. Just apply the formula, find the
slope, yes.
shortest distance. Okay. If they are asking
Okay.
what is the intersection point, what is the
Yes.
intersection point from which you can get? So for that you have to do this Ram Katha.
Okay. Got it, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
But they will not going to ask. This is the very lengthy process.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes. Got it, sir. Thank you, sir.
Because this kind of thing we have studied in a master's course. They will not going to ask in numerical
Oh,
analysis course. This kind of thing was there. But yeah, there were some like what to say, advanced level kind of thing. There was some spaces kind of thing rather than this line. But yeah, there was some.
okay, sir. Thank
Sir,
you.
I have a request. Whether
Yes.
she could see that one girl that solved the previous one question, I couldn't find where she get mistake. Could she send her a solution in the chat?
Which one?
The
Which
last
girl are
one.
you talking about?
A girl solved
Last
the
one, which one?
your question in this
That there is the counting and there's the finding the value of m for each one and then
What
taking
she has,
the
what is the mistake that she has done? She was directly
yeah.
equating this yi and fxi. Okay, but what we have seen, this fxi always give me the error. She was missing that error. Because this is if you are doing yi is equals to fxi directly, it means you are assuming that the error is 0.
Okay.
What she were doing, she has this fxi. Suppose this is my, where is it? Yeah, here I am getting 40 m plus 70 for m is equals to for x is equals to 40, right? And also in the table I have seen for x is equals to 40 I have 150, right? So she is directly equating it for 150 and getting the value of m.
Of m.
Okay, and according to m, she was some subtracting something, and she was obtaining his result that m is equals to 2 is the correct option. Okay, but that is not
Yeah.
correct, right? If you are directly putting this one, this is my yi, right? And this is my fx1 or hx1, correct? It means that you are considering that hx and y both are equal. There is no error.
Okay.
You are considering error is 0, but that is not the case, right? You
Yeah.
have to
Getting one.
reduce the
Getting
error.
one.
Okay, you cannot
Yes.
consider error is 0.
The actual
Simple.
be yeah. Okay, sir. Sir, I have put the question, my doubt in the chat. Can you see it,
Actual
please?
value and predicted value same, right?
Sorry.
Sir, I have put the
Assume
question in the chat box. Can you see that out and help me, please?
Okay, okay, okay. Nice.
Sir, can you see mine as well?
Yeah, what's your name? I was seeing Abhisita right now. Abhisita and Abhijit both have sent the same question. So let
Yes,
me
sir.
see first that one. Okay. Okay, let me share it, everyone. If someone has
Yes, sir.
already done this, please let me know.
Abhijit's question is also my question, sir.
Okay. So if the questions are sent, you may react on that question, no? Is this the question is visible to all? This
Yes, sir.
river, 1
Yes, sir.
kilometer. Okay. Okay. Suppose two boats are starting their journey from ferry ghat. Okay, there is one ferry ghat A considered as origin. So this is your ferry ghat and boat is starting his journey. On towards ferry ghat B. Where is B? Yeah, this. Along the straight line y is equals to minus 2x. This is your line y is equals to minus 2x. And the other towards the ferry ghat C along a straight line perpendicular to the path followed by B. Okay, what is saying? For and the other towards the ferry ghat C. Okay, for the C, what we are doing? We are going along the straight line perpendicular the path followed by P. Means we are going this path which is perpendicular. It means there is a 90-degree angle. Okay, 90-degree angle between this to this. What do you mean by 90-degree angle? Can someone please let me know? In that case, what will be my M
1/2.
for this path?
Slope of product of both line slopes minus 1.
Yeah. So if M1 is the slope of 1 and another slope is what? Minus 2, right?
-1 by
Yes, sir.
Right. So minus 2 into M is equals to minus 1. Then M will be what? 1 by 2 only. So it means slope will be 1 by 2 for this path. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. The river is 1 kilometer wide. Okay. So this is the river which is 1 kilometer wide, as you can see. This whole thing is a river. Uniformly, yes. And parallel to the x-axis. Yes. From here to here, this is my river. Suppose Rahul wants to go to the exact opposite point of A. It means here he wants to go along the river. Then answer of the following question is, how much total distance does Rahul have to travel to reach his destination if he takes the boat towards the ferry ghat B? So what is this? What is this point basically? Can someone please tell me what is this point? It is easy to see. What is the coordinates of that
0,
point?
1. 0, 1.
Y 0,
1,
1.
0. 1. No, sir, 0, 1.
Y 0, 1.
Because the
Y
distance is
is
1
0.
kilometer
Only the
and
X,
y
Y
is
is in.
it's on the y-axis.
Okay. Okay, 0, 1. Okay, and this line will be given by which? What is the equation of this line? Parallel to the x-axis. Y
Yes, sir.
intercept is 1.
Yes.
What is the equation of this line?
Y is
You
equal to
just
1.
tell me what is the equation of this line in the
Y
comment
equal to
box.
1.
In the comment box. Fast. It won't take that much time. Oh. Are you sure y is equals to 1? Are you sure? Y is equals to C. What is the value of C? Only few comments are coming. What about other? Y is equals to 1. Are you sure? Tala laga de. Yes. So the equation of this line will be y is equals to 1. Correct? Okay. We have the equation of this line. We have this one. So we can easily find point B and point C, right? Say something. We can easily find. Okay. What will be the equation of this line? The equation of this, what will be the equation of this line? We have the slope m is equals to 1 by 2. What will be the equation of this line? We have the slope, we have the point which is 0, 0. It means we have to find a line whose slope m is 1 by 2 and that particular line passing through the point 0, 0. So how will I find the equation of line? Which formula I
Calculate
have to
point one.
use?
Y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1.
Yes. Y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1. What is my y1 x1 in that case? 0, 0.
0.
Is what? 1 by 2. So from here I can get y is equals to 1 by 2
X.
x, right? So the equation of this line is y is equals to half x.
X by.
Correct? Now
Yes.
I can easily find the point C and point B both.
Yes, sir.
Correct? Now, question, what is the question? Question is asking how much total distance does Rahul have to travel to reach his destination if he takes the boat towards the ferryguard B? Okay. So how much distance he has to travel? It means we have to calculate the distance from here to here. Correct?
Yes.
Correct? Say something.
Yes.
Yes,
From
sir.
A to B.
So you can easily find, yeah, from A to B you need to calculate. You can easily find the point B. What it will be? Y always be 1. Okay. Here y coordinate always be 1. That you know.
Yes.
You need to find the x coordinate. So this in this equation, see, we need to find the intersection part now. It means in this point will satisfy this equation and this equation both. So from this equation we know what is the value of y. The value of y is 1. Okay. Okay. From in the point
Yes.
B we know y is equals to 1 always. So just put y is equals to 1 here. So what I will get? 1 is equals to minus 2x. So x is equals to minus 1 by 2 I will get, right? So this point is
Yes.
basically what? Minus 1 by 2, 1. Now I have 2 points, minus 1 by 2, 1 and 0, 0. I can easily find the distance from 0, 0 to minus 1 by 2 to 1, which will be given by 1 by 2 whole square plus 1, which is what? Root over 1 by 4 plus 1, which is what? Root 5 by 2. Correct?
Yes.
Which one is the correct answer? Root 5 by 2. Easy?
Sir,
Yes.
but I turned in the assignment and it's showing it's the wrong answer.
What is the correct answer?
Correct answer.
Correct answer is option D.
Yeah, actually,
Option D.
opposite point to origin, so it should be
Yeah,
a root
yeah,
5 plus
yeah.
1 up by
So
upon 2.
here to here you have to see, and then you have to walk up
Had to add
this
one more.
point as well, right? Yeah.
Okay, okay.
Not one more. It will be add up to by half.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it will be plus half. Okay. So the answer will be root 5 in that case. Okay.
Yes,
Understood?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Want to take by C, then simple, just find the point C, find the distance, this one, then find the distance this one. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I hope you understood this one. Easy, na? See, the question is looking like they are very difficult by their grammar and all. But if you really post-mortem it, or if you really analyze that question, you will find that that question is too easy. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I am uploading another question here. Who is it? Do not do this kind of thing here. We are in live class. I don't know how many people will watch further in future. Please think about it. Okay, see this question. This is also an practice assignment question. Okay, just solve it. This is a nice question. That is why I am taking here. I am taking here. Just solve it. Again, 3 minutes is more than enough. That's why I am giving 3 minutes. Currently time is 10:26. I'll ask by 29. Little more zoom. Is it fine now?
Yes.
Okay, Tanisha, no issue. Everyone has solved this one?
Yes, sir. I have solved it.
What about the others?
Not yet, sir.
Not yet. I am not going to solve this. I will just give you the like idea about it. How you can solve. Actually, this question is not tough, but just looking, there are many graphs kind of thing. So general people, what it will happen, they will just like, sir, how I can solve? There are so many graphs are there, right? Who is he? Who is he?
So it was Yash Singh.
Okay, okay, Venice. Okay, okay, okay. It is easy now. This question I have already solved in yesterday's class. Most
Yes,
probably
sir.
in the Friday's class. If the origin cuts the line segment P and Q in the ratio of 1:3, what is the value of K? This is easy question, Venice. We have
I'm
already
getting
solved it.
4 there, but I'm getting the answer 4 there, but the correct option will be 2, 12.
Sorry, what you are getting?
I'm getting 4,
Okay,
but the correct option is 12 there.
okay, hard. Okay,
Still, I
okay,
didn't know
let's see.
what sort of mistake I do is there.
Okay, okay, let's see.
And it is something solving possible.
P is your -4, and Q is your 6K, and ratio is 1:3. Find the value of K. Origin cuts 0, 0. Okay, what you are getting?
4.
Basically, what you need to do, you need to equate 0 is equals to. It's I have anyone have solved this one? Please look at here. I think this one I have already covered. What will happen here? 1 into PQ, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So 1 into K, 1 into K plus 3 into -4 divided by 4. This is what it is. So K is equals to 12, it will be, no? 3 4 is minus 12 is equals to 0. So k is equals to 12. You are getting
Okay.
easy. Okay.
Okay, sir.
But
Okay.
before doing this, please check whether 0 0 is inside this line or not. The line.
Okay,
Okay,
thank
PQ is there. Now you need to find the value of k. Now it's okay. Let's see. Let's check. Let's check for this case as well, whether 0 is equal to this one as well or not. For the x coordinate as well, you need to check. So it is basically minus 2 into 3 plus 6. Yes, then it's true. Yeah, k is equals to 12 is the correct answer. Easy. What is the difficulty here?
Okay, sir. I done a small mistake. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, did you solve that one? You have to find the
Sir, I
triangle
have
of AD.
sent a question. I have sent a doubt question in the chat.
Okay. Let's see this one first. You need to find the
Okay, sir.
area of triangle A, D, and E. What is the way? What is the
First
approach?
Half
find the D.
into x into.
Just find D. Just find D. Once you find D, you easy, right? No issue. Okay.
Yes,
What about if I will say find the area of A, F, and E? Same way, right?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Any objection in this? Any doubts in this question?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Here F and D are midpoint of this one and this one, right? So once you find this D and then find F, and then you can find any of the area. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes, Ujjwal.
Sir,
Sir, I have sent the
But
doubt
that
question in the chat.
EF is
sir,
the perpendicular line there.
Which one? This
EF.
one? EF, DF, TNF. This one.
Yes.
We can't say na
No,
here.
sir.
Yeah.
How can we find the area of AFE? Half into
AFE.
base. Huh?
We don't need to go with half into base. Once you find the value like coordinates of F,
Okay,
you have
determinant
this
method.
formula na. Yeah, determinant formula someone will say. x1
Yes.
y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3. Just apply this. You will
So
get
we
your
can go
answer.
through ADE also directly.
Sorry?
Here it is asking find the area of triangle AD. So we can go through
What you need
ADE
to find?
directly.
Firstly, find D, coordinate of D, because here what
Uh,
he is saying? He is saying that D and F
F
are
are
the
the mid.
midpoints of BC and AD. It means F is the midpoint of AD and D is the midpoint of BC.
Midpoint
So
of
find the midpoint, apply the midpoint formula or a section formula. Midpoint means this section and this section
this.
are 1 1, or directly apply this x1 plus x2 divided by 2 1. Okay, for x is equals to. Once you find the D, you can easily find the F. Once you find the F, you will get 3 coordinates. These 3 coordinates are making a triangle. You can easily find the area of this triangle by this formula. Simple. You don't need to apply this half into base into height. Okay.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay.
Okay. Usual has sent some doubt. Okay, let me try to display it. I don't think this is a that much difficult question, but yes.
So the doubt is that the second and third option which have x coordinate, then how the slope of the lines which have those points are zero.
Is this visible through which line or not? Please let me know. No?
So first and fourth option have coordinate x as 0. So
Is this visible?
the
Firstly, is this
yes, sir.
visible?
Now visible.
Now it's visible. Okay. This question is showing Through which of the following points do lines of slope 0 pass? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is your doubt here?
Sir, the options second and third have x coordinate something like -100 and -0.05.
Okay.
So then how the lines passing through these points would have slope equal to 0?
Slope equal to 0, it means what?
Line parallel to x-axis or
And
x-axis itself.
x-axis both, right? X-axis with
Yes, sir.
itself. This point is lying in the x-axis because y coordinate is 0.
So this line would be parallel to y-axis.
X-axis, y-axis is 0, it means what? We need point now. Suppose this point is there. Any point. I am not talking about any of this. Any point. This is the arbitrary
Okay,
point
sir.
that I have taken, right?
Yes, sir.
Right? What we need to find?
Yes,
We
sir.
need to find which of the points do passes, like which of the point inside the line who is parallel to the x-axis. Basically, slope is 0 means what? That one only, right?
Yes, sir.
Right? No matter where you will take a point. You can easily make a line which is passes to that point and which will be parallel to that line, right? Here
Yes, sir.
you are saying I can make a line which is passes to that line parallel to x-axis. Correct? No matter where you will
Yes,
take,
sir.
here, wherever you want. I will make a line, right? Because single point is there. I can make a line because at a point there are
Okay, sir.
infinitely many points with infinitely many slope. Right? So I
Yes,
need
sir.
what? I need one line with 0 slope, no? So any arbitrary
Yes,
point
sir.
you can take from the plane, you can always able to make a line which is parallel to the x-axis. So all the options will be correct in that case.
Oh,
Tricky
okay,
question.
sir. Okay, sir.
Could you please send that question? Practice line question.
Sir, but the slope of the B option is not 0.
A B option is just the point now. You can make a line which is passes through that line and slope of that line is 0. Simple.
Okay, sir. Good. But sir, we can also make a slope of a not defined form, infinity.
That question is not asking for that. He's just asking which of the points do passes with the line with slope 0.
Okay, sir. Got it.
Okay. Simple.
Sir, please repeat the.
See, question is saying through which of the following point do lines of slope 0 pass? It means in which of the points we are able to form a line with slope 0. So every point, no matter in the plane wherever you will get a point. If suppose I have one point, I can make infinitely many lines with different slope, right? From one point, there are infinitely many points with passes with one point, right? What I need to find? I need to find only one line with slope 0. Simple. So I can form now wherever point is, it doesn't matter. If some point is there, suppose here, I don't know the coordinates of this point. I can form a line, right? This one will be the line which passes this point and which is the parallel to this x-axis. It means the slope is 0. Simple.
Okay,
So all the option will be automatically correct. No issue.
If in this case any point, any x and
Any
y
point,
remains
any
also,
point.
that is also true, right? In this case,
Yes. Any point.
I
There is
thought it is
always
in the
one.
origin. It is in the origin 0, 0, so it is true. Otherwise, it is not.
Yes. Okay, just send me dot. Send me that question. Okay, this one is done. Vinny's one is done. Someone was also asking something, right? Everyone is done. User has asked something. User, are you still there? Yeah, this one the only question, right? This one was the question. The user question was. Abhijit question is done. No doubts. Okay, Kunal. Sir, I am not able to understand what you don't not able. What I have do in this question. Which question, Kunal? Okay, you have sent the question. I am not able to download your question. Kunal, could you please send it again?
Sir, will there be any class tomorrow as well?
Sorry, lecture?
Sir, will there be any class tomorrow as well?
I don't know exactly about tomorrow's class. They haven't informed me. If there
So I
will be
have
some
sent it again.
class. Yeah,
Sir,
done.
as per the calendar, there is no class tomorrow of mathematics.
Most probably it will schedule. It will be scheduled. Probably I will not take that class. Probably I'm not saying I will not take that class. I will try to take, but yeah, it happens that I will not take. Here only two options are showing.
Sir, it is not fit in this screen. Can I send out more options?
Yeah, you just
Okay.
above two questions. Yeah, dot I will explain. Okay, everyone is able to see this one, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This 15 question. Okay. What question is saying basically? We plot the displacement as at various time t for different velocities as it follows the equation s is equals to vt, where v is the velocity. Identify the best possible straight line in the figure this given in the velocity given the velocities. Okay. Okay, so this is the line, right? Since this is the line, okay, let me explain this. Everyone is following me, right?
Yes.
Correctly? Okay. Since this is the line, from this line, it is clear that this line will always pass to 0, 0, right? Because if you put s is equals to vt, you have, right? If you put t is equals to 0, what you will get? You will get s is equals to 0, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Right? It means this line will pass through the origin always.
Yes.
Right? It
Yes.
means here it will always pass it. Okay. Now what I need to see. Question is asking, we plot of this okay, the different velocities as it follows this, where v is the velocity. Identify the best possible straight lines in the figure for the given set of velocities. Okay. So we have this table, v1 is equals to 1, v2 is equals to my, okay, 1, v2, what we need to calculate. Option is saying v1 is tending towards L2, v2 is tending
I've
towards
sent a new
L3.
screenshot and the third option is correct, sir.
Okay, just a minute. Let me see now. Let me see.
Yes.
V3. Okay. And V4. Okay. Simple. It is simple. Okay. So this is your V1. So what you need to do basically? So you have this equation V S equals to VT, right? So just say
Yes.
put the different value of V. So for V1 is V1. For V1, what it will be? S equals to T, right?
Yes.
Right. For V2,
Right.
what it will be? S is equals
Minus
to
2t.
minus 2t. Minus
Yes.
2t, no? For V3, what it will be? S is equals to
t upon 2.
Sorry?
T by 2.
T by 2.
T by 2, right?
Yeah.
For S is equals to minus 1, what it will be?
Minus T.
Minus t.
Correct. So here it is saying if we will take V1 is equals to L1, if we will take V1 is equals to L1, sorry, V1, if we will take V1 is equals to 1, then the L1 line will be the graph of that line. Okay. So that we need to follow. It means what? According to their slope, we need to see which one is the correct line. So S is equals to T line. Or S, okay. So here what I have? if I will see m1 is the line, this is m1 is the slope for this line. So what it will be, m1 is equals to 1, right? m2 is equals to -2, another slope for this line. m3 is equals to half
1/2
is the slope for this line, and m4 is equals to -1 is the slope for this line. Okay, understood up to this? Any doubt?
Yes, sir. No.
Right? No doubt, right? Okay. Now see m1 and m3. Both slopes are positive, right? m1 and m3.
Right.
This one is 1, this one is half. Now let me know if slopes are positive. Okay, so any line whose slopes are positive, it means what?
They lie on first quadrant.
Yeah, and they are going with this 0, 0 point. It means they will lie like this, right?
Right.
Correct.
Yes,
For
sir.
positive slope, the line will be look like this, not look like this, not look like this, right? If slopes are positive. Say something.
Yes, sir. Yeah. Yes, sir.
Correct.
Yes.
Okay. It means this line will be either this line will be from slope 1, okay,
or slope 3,
or slope half, right? Because we have two positive slope here. So this line, either this line will represent the line which who has slope 1 or who has slope half, right?
Half.
Correct. Half, right? Okay. So let's try to put the value. Okay. S is equals to t, s is equals to -2t, s is equals to t by 2, and s is equals to -1. Okay. Now try put x at t is equals to 1 for each. It will clear. Now if I will put t is equals to 1 here, so for this one line, okay, for one line, which point I will get? For t is equals to 1, it means x coordinate is 1. What about s? It will be 1, 1.
1, 1.
Right? 1, 1.
Right.
Okay, for t is equals to -2, what it will be?
It will be -2 and -2 and it will be -2 and 1.
For second case, -2 and 1. Okay, for 3.
It will be 1 by 2 by 1, 1 by 2 comma 1.
Why -2 and 1? 1 -2 now. You are putting t is equals to 1, not s is equals to 1.
Okay.
Okay. 1 and -2. Everyone is getting the point. What we are doing basically? Nothing. We are not doing anything. We have just put v1, v2, v3, and v4 in this equation. Now we are getting this line, equation of line, and what we are putting, we are trying to put t is equals to 1 in each line. That's it. That's what we are doing now. Clear for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Apart from
Yes, sir.
Kunal, I am asking to everyone. 1.5.
Yes, sir. Clear.
And for fourth will give me what?
1
Fourth
comma
line will give
-1.
me what? Which point?
It will be 0 comma -1.
1 comma -1.
1 comma.
This
Sir,
is
but there
t,
is
no?
no any.
This is t minus
T is always
1 comma minus. Okay, this is the point. This is I am getting from line. This is I am getting from s is equals to t. Okay. Okay. Now let me know. Let me know that where this 1, 1 will lie. Okay. If this is the line 1.
Yes, sir.
This is the line. Okay. Make it as line. Proper straight line. If this is the line t is equals to 1, okay. This is what we are seeing, right? So you can see 1, 1 will be lie in this line or in this line, because you need to see the length. This is your y coordinate. Y coordinate will give you the height. 1 is greater than half or half is greater than 1.
1 is greater than half.
1 is greater than half. It means this point will be 1, 1 only.
Yes.
Correct.
And this is
correct.
1 by
This
2.
one will be 1/2. It cannot be 1 minus 2 because 1 minus 2 and 1 minus 1 will lie in the fourth
It will be in
quadrant.
fourth quadrant.
Right. And this line will be what? This one will be which point? 1 minus 1 or 1 minus 2?
1 minus 1. It will be 1 minus 2.
1 minus 1, no, because here
Yes, sir,
minus
yes,
1
sir.
will be there. Here
Minus
minus 1
1
will
will
be
be
there, and here minus 2 will be there, right?
Minus 2 will be.
So this one will be 1 minus 1.
1 minus 1.
And this point will be 1 minus
Minus
2.
2.
Correct?
Okay,
now,
so
this point, which line? Which line I am getting?
L4.
This 1 minus 2 I am getting from second line. So this will be
Yes.
the equation. This will this point I will get from where? V2.
V2.
Okay. This thing I will get from where? This is coming from which? This point, V4. You are getting my point from where I am getting?
Yes, sir.
This thing will come from where? Because 1.5 coming from where? V3. V3, right?
Yes, sir.
So this will be from V3, and this is coming from where? V1. So you are getting my point. V1 will go to L1, V3 will go to L2, V4 will go to L3, and V2 will go to L4. That one will be the correct option.
Yes.
Okay, let me quickly summarize it, what we have done up to this. Okay, let me remove all those. Let me summarize it so that it will be clear to everyone. This question was nice actually. So, in between, I got confused. Okay, so initially what we have this equation S is equals to VT, correct? Correct? Okay,
Yes, sir.
we have
Yes, sir.
table of different values of VIs. Okay, so what I need to, I am looking for V1. V1 I have seen. What will be my equation? My equation will be S is equals to T, right? V1
Yes.
is equals to 1 is there, so V is equals to 1 put. Okay, for V2 what we have seen? We have seen is that the equation will
S
be
is
given
equal
by
to minus 2t.
minus 2t. For V3 what it will be? S is equals to
T by 2.
T by 2. Okay, for V4 what it will be?
Minus t.
Minus 2.
Minus t, right? This is the equation. Now what I am doing, I am putting t is equals to 1. It means I am making a line which is t is equals to 1. I am making this line. According to this intersection, I will decide which line is coming from which VI. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So here, since I am putting t is equals to 1, so this line will be give me 1 point, right? Because for t is equals to 1, S is equals to 1, right?
Yes.
For t is equals to 1, this line will give me this line will give me what? For t is equals
Minus
to
2.
1, what I will get? Minus 2. Similarly, this line will give me 1.5.
1 by 2.
Yes. And this line will give you 1
1
minus 1.
minus
Correct?
1 minus 1.
Correct. Now it's
Yes.
clear up to this. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now let's see where this point will lie. Say same line. This one is the this is y value. So I need to see which is the greatest y. So 1 is the greatest in this largest value, right? It means this is the largest one, right? Because this
Yes.
is what. So this will be what? 1.
Yes.
1, 1 point. This point will be 1, 1 because this is the largest distance that we have. Largest positive distance. For positive points, I will see this just looking this positive and negative sign, we can easily see this 2 point will be in the first quadrant, this 2 point will be in the second quadrant, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right? Here t is equals to 1 is same for each this blue line. In this blue line, t is equals to 1 will be same. The difference will be there by y coordinates, right?
Right.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes,
It means now let's look at the 1.5 for first quadrant. So as you can see, 1 is greater than half. It means that 1 will be lie here, right? In this point. So this line will give me 1 point, and this line will give me 1.5 point. Correct? This intersection will be 1.5. Okay. Now here we can see -1 will be larger than -2. Correct? -1 is greater than -2, right? Right?
Yes, sir.
So it means that if I need to see the 1 minus 1, the first intersection will give me the 1 minus 1 value. And for 1 minus 2, this intersection will give me the 1 minus 2 value. Right? So now I know from which line I am getting this 1 1, from which line I am getting this 1 minus 1 2, 1 minus 2, from which line I am getting 1.5, from which line I am getting 1 minus 1. I can this one I can find that line accordingly, right? So here I am getting 1 1, and this 1 1 is coming from V1, so this one will represent the V1. Here I am getting 1/2 is coming from V3, so this will give me the V3 value. Here this from this line I am getting 1 minus 1, and this 1 minus 1 is coming from V4. 1 minus 1 is coming from V4, so this will represent the V4 line. Okay. Here I am getting 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2 is coming from V2, so this will give me the V2. Okay, so basically what will be my final answer? My final answer will be V1 will represent the line. We will give you, V1 will give you the line L1. V2 will give you the line. Say with me. Which one?
L4.
L4. V3 will give me the line.
L2.
Which one? L2. And V4 will give me the line.
L3.
L3. This one will be the correct answer.
Yes.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Okay, Khushi Paul has sent some doubt. Welcome, Khushi. You were there in Friday's class, right? Are you still there? Hello?
I have some questions too.
Yeah.
He left.
Okay, nice. Your dot has asked some question. Let me finish that one. Yes, Khushi. Yes, Khushi. Yes, Khushi. I'll take your doubt. No.
These questions are from 17, 18, 19 of practice assignment.
Sorry?
These questions are from practice assignment 17, 18, 19.
Yeah. Okay. Some squared error. We have done this one, Khushi, I guess. No, we did not do this. Are you able to see this question, everyone?
Yes, sir.
The relation between X and Y is given. Okay, the relation between X and Y is shown in the table, this table. Then which of the among lines is the best fit? Simple. It is simple, you see. You don't need to do anything. This is the function that you have. Fx is equals to 2x. Fx is equals to x. Fx is equals to 3x. Fx is equals to 4x. Similarly, here they have already calculated the sum squared error for you. Wherever you are getting the lesser error, that will be the correct option. But there is a possibility that whatever they have done this sum squared error here, that will be incorrect. Okay, so for that, what you need to do, you need to calculate the sum squared error by yourself. Okay, see?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and then see whether the sum squared error are matching with this or not.
So match नहीं हो रहा है.
Yeah, if not matching, then reject
Second
that
Mine is
option.
matching.
Okay, suppose in that case not matching. Okay, let me explain. In this case, in first case not matching, leave it. Second case it is matching, take this one. Okay, third case not matching, leave it. And fourth case is in matching. Okay, for second and fourth case is in matching. Then see which sum squared error is the lowest one. Okay, since here this is one of the lowest, so this will give me the correct option. Okay, so for the correct SAC is see the lowest SAC. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Sir, PDF. Yeah, sir, and I'll do. No issue. Dot has asked some question from practice assignment. Dot, are you still there?
Yeah, I'm here. That practice assignment 17, 18, 19.
Yeah. This is the question. Something 18, 19?
17, 18, 19. I have sent, prior to this, I have sent 2 questions to you.
Yeah, okay. I have seen this one. Everyone, are you able to see this question?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
What is the issue here? Did anyone try to solve this? Did anyone try to solve this? No one. Okay.
No, sir, not yet.
Okay, no. Okay, this question is saying let diagonals of the quadrilaterals with one vertex 0, 0 bisect each other perpendicularly. Diagonals. Okay, some quadrilaterals are there. Okay, kind of like this kind of thing. And this thing is happening basically. With on one vertex is at 0, 0. Okay, one vertex is 0, 0. Suppose this is my 0, 0 vertex. Okay, bisect each other on perpendicular. It means this one is 90 degree. At the point 1, 2. This point is 1, 2. Further. Now this point is 1, 2. This point is 0, 0. You can easily find the equation of this line, correct? If I'm not wrong. Dot?
Yes, sir.
We can find this equation. Once we can find this equation, we can easily find this equation. Because both lines are perpendicular, we can easily find the slope. Once we find the slope, we have this point and we have slope. We can easily find this equation of this line.
The equation of one of the diagonal is already mentioned.
Yeah. Let one of the diagonal be on the straight line y is equals to 2x. Yes, we have one diagonal on y is equals to 2x. Probably this one will be the diagonal. Okay, then which of the following is our correct options? Now I don't think so. It will be that much difficult. What is the doubt?
Sir, same question even I have. So can you just represent this in a diagram form? Like 0,
This
0.
one I have done, no? This one I have done.
Sir, still not able to understand. Can you please illustrate it once again?
Maybe like a Cartesian plane. In a Cartesian plane, can you just do it, sir? So you've drawn the quadrilateral, I understand, but then in a Cartesian plane, can you just plot the points and that line equation?
Okay. That quadrilateral can be any form. Okay, this is one form, but it can be any form. It's not like it will be in this form only.
Okay.
This is not the fixed form. I have drawn just for. Okay, suppose this one is your Cartesian plane. Okay, question is saying let diagonals of the quadrilateral with one vertex 0, 0. It means one vertex will be lie here only. That we know. Okay, here there will be one vertex. Okay, bisect each other on the perpendicular. Okay, say suppose this is my quadrilateral. This is my quadrilateral. Okay, here is the line. At 1, 2, they will. Okay, and the line of this equation which is given is y is equals to 2x. Y is equals to 2x. Okay, this is the intersection point. Y is equals to 2x is the equation of this line. This angle is 90 degree. We can easily find this line. Correct? Any doubt up to this?
No, sir. No, sir.
No, right? No, right? What first question is asking? The diagonally opposite vertex of 0, 0 is 2, 4. This is 0, 0. Opposite vertex is this one. Okay, and this one as well. No, this one is not opposite. This one is sorry. This one. I got one. Opposite diagonally opposite vertex. It means this one.
Opposite vertex.
Diagonally opposite vertex. It means this one. So we need to find the what? We need to find the coordinate
Points
of
of
this
that
one.
one.
Yeah, coordinates of this one. Okay. So we know the equation of line if this line is this coordinate lies on this line, it will satisfy the equation of line. Just put
Yes.
x is equals to 2 here. If you put x is equals to 2 here, you will get y is
4.
equals to 4. So what you will get? You will get the coordinate to 4. It means this question, this
That
option is
too.
correct. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Correct? The other
Yes, sir.
diagonal on the straight line y is equals to half. Easy to see. Do I need to explain this one? This is incorrect, easy to see.
Yes, sir.
Correct? It cannot go with the 0, 0. It is basically directly it is asking the other diagonal also passes through this 0, 0. Not possible, right?
No.
Why it is saying like that? Because here what you are saying, if you put x equals to 0 here now, you will get y is equals to 0. It means this line always passes through the origin, but other diagonal cannot, because it already passes towards half, and the what to say, the angle between these two lines is 90 degree, so it cannot passes to this point, because in this point, if in this point, if we need to make a perpendicular in this line, this is the only way to make a perpendicular. Correct? There is only one perpendicular possible in this line, from this point. And since this is not the point 1, 2, so that kind of thing not possible. So this is incorrect. What about this one? We need to check. We need to check whether this thing is passes towards 1, 2 or not. Okay. So just put x is equals to 1. So if you put x is equals to 1, what you will get? You will get y is equals to minus half into 1 plus 5 by 2, which will give you 2. It means this line
2.
will passes towards 1, 2. So this is correct option. The diagonally opposite vertex of 0, 0 is 3 by 2 and 3. We have already seen this one is correct. So this is incorrect. Easy?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Now easy.
Okay. Okay. Okay, I am sharing with the notes. If the session will be there tomorrow, we will let you know. Okay.
Okay, sir.
If it is there, probably I won't take that session. Probably, I'm not saying I'm not sure I will take or not, but probably I won't take that session. Or if I will take that session, so probably I won't take the day after tomorrow's session.
Sir, I
Some
have
other,
I have a query, sir. See, your sessions that you're doing on this Zoom, and you're recording it and YouTube link, it gets updated. But the TA sessions are there, no, sir. That recording we are not getting,
yeah,
because
TA session will
initially I
not be
was
recorded. TA session will not be recorded.
Sir, it's getting recorded. It's there in the same Google Calendar. It's there below that.
no, but
Which
I'm
one?
not able to get the link.
No,
When I
no.
click
There,
the
No,
link, it
TA
is not.
session, TA session will not going to record. TA session is not recorded. They are
they are
not
recording.
available.
They are recording, sir.
They are recording.
Yeah.
But they are not uploading.
No, no, it's
Oh,
there in the
okay.
calendar.
Please ask about that. Ask about to them.
Sir, in the
For
Google
that.
Calendar, whatever
Sir,
the
actually, there
timetable
are some groups which are uploading the recorded lectures of the TS sessions. So if they're interested, they can join the groups. There are a few groups.
Yeah. Just send that the link of that group. Just send the link of the group. Here, chat box only. Sir, 3 by 2, 3 is also on the. Yeah. Check. He is asking for opposite diagonal. Yes, one. You need to check whether that is the diagonal. Okay, one mistake that we have done in previous question. For 2, 4 case, we did not check whether that one is the diagonal, opposite diagonal one or not. Means that was our
We didn't find the equation of the other diagonal.
no. The thing is, see, question was this one, this corner it was asking, right? Whether this one is the correct one or not, right? There is a possibility if something is there, that will also satisfy this equation of line. How will you know that 2, 4 will be lie in this corner only? Correct? Obvious question, no?
Yes, yes.
Is there any information we have regarding that? Or we need to recheck this question? What is that?
Huh?
Revisit. We need to revisit that question. Yes. Yeah, opposite vertex he is asking. Bisect each other. Okay. He is saying it is bisect each other. It means this distance and this distance both are same.
Midpoint.
This one is the midpoint. Okay. If 1, 2 is a midpoint, then 2, 4 has to be there only. Now it's clear. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. But in that case, where is it? That 3 by 2 and 2. 3 by 2 and 3. This is not lying here.
They are incorrect,
It will
sir.
lie somewhere here or somewhere here. It won't lie here because this 1, 2 is a midpoint.
Yes, sir.
Sir, please explain. What Kusi?
So for me, it's 17 and 18.
Sir, question send किया screen.
Sorry, what you are saying?
Sir, question.
Yeah, just a minute. Someone was asking something.
I was asking for 17 and 18.
Something in
17 and 18. That I already put.
18 and 19.
17, sir. 19 we solved.
17. Just send it. What's your name?
From the dot.
Deepak, right? Or dot?
Yes, sir.
Dot.
Yeah.
Dot, could you please send once?
Yes, sir.
It goes up. Yeah, Kusi, I'm looking.
I sent it to you.
Yeah.
Sir, I had also sent you my doubt.
Yeah, please. One by one, I take. Okay. Don't just wait for some. Okay, just look at this question. Yeah, this one is a little tricky question. Did anyone try to solve this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So how will you approach? How did you approach? What you need to do here?
So by X and Y.
Suppose this is your Cartesian plane. Yes. Y, X and Y.
सर X पे मैंने टाइम लिखा था और Y पे मैंने इसका ग्रोथ रेट लिखा हुआ था.
Okay, this is your approximate energy used. Okay. Okay, this is called TWH. Okay. So suppose 1965 somewhere here is there. Okay.
Yes, sir. 50 years का
2015
growth rate था.
something is there. So for oil, what you have 19,000 and 49,000. So somewhere here, if 19,000 or somewhere here is 49,000. 49,000. Now you got this point, right? This and this. You see, Hello.
Yes,
Are
sir.
you still there? You
Yes,
got
sir.
these 2 points, right? See,
Yes, sir.
one is 1965 and this 19,000 and another point is 2025 and 49,000. Just make a equation of line passing through these 2 points. Okay. Once you make a equation of line, suppose that line will be given by y is equals to what to say, ax plus b kind of thing, where a and ax plus b, a and b you need to find. Okay, just put x is equals to not 2025 here, 2215. Okay, 215. Just put x is equals to 2025 there. If you will get the same value whatever he has done here, you are this option is correct. If you are not getting the same value, this is incorrect. Okay, now again for C, for coal, do the same thing. For coal, what are the point that you have? 1965 and 17,000, 1 point, and for 2015 and 38,000, another point. Just find the equation of line passing through these 2 points, and whatever line you will get, put x is equals to 2025. If you will get same value whatever is given here, this option is correct. If you will not get the same value, this is incorrect option. Same thing that you need to do further. Okay, so most probably answer will be none of the above.
Yes, sir.
That's not 64,000.
Sir, in yesterday's session also, sir explained the same questions in detail also. Yesterday's link is available. It is available in that link, sir.
Yesterday, is there any session was happened yesterday?
In TA session, sir, Abhishek sir done the sums.
Okay, in TA session what?
This sum is he explained detail sir. In that link that are available, sir.
Which detail? This question detail?
That gas and nuclear energy, that sum, sir.
Okay, okay. That same question that we have done now by now, right?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay, no issue. Please send that link.
If we check that session link also, it may be useful to all, sir. That's why.
We don't have that link. No, that's the issue. See, I am not TA and I don't have contact with TA.
Oh,
I
in
have shared the link with
session,
you.
they told they regularly
Yeah.
update the sessions like that, sir. But me too doesn't get that links and live
have shared.
YouTube also, sir.
I have shared that link with all of them.
Thank you.
Yeah.
That the TA link I have shared.
Yes. Dot, are you still there?
Yeah.
This is your doubt, right?
Yeah, 17.
17.
17 and 18.
Yeah. Everyone is looking to this question. Everyone is able to see. Okay,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
At least someone has solved some questions so that I am getting some doubts, so that it is easy for me to take the question directly. Kunal Gupta has also sent a link. Please save it, and also please join in your respective groups. One is a group. One group is there which is created by IIT Madras itself, an official group, right? Or that is unofficial. I don't know.
That's
Someone of
unofficial, sir.
Everyone is unofficial.
Yeah,
Everything is unofficial.
That's
So
what
there
I
are
was told.
many unofficial groups, sir. Many unofficial groups are there.
Because I asked the Google Meet in the
Very
support.
little official and many unofficial groups are there.
Oh, okay, just join in that group only, where you will get some required information. Okay. If there will be some fighting for some negativity is going on, just left it. Don't need to
So,
join.
but actually, sir, I'm a Jan term student, but in the January term and all, this TA sessions used to get recorded and it will get updated in the calendar only. We can click on the calendar link, and whatever the recorded session was there, we were able to check. But now the calendar link is not getting updated. They are updating this Excel sheet, which is not getting. We're not getting the
Divya, now also it's there. Go just check the calendar. In your schedule, you can see there is a link there. You can see the links are filled. Yeah, go to your. Go to the schedule. Make a schedule form of your thing, and there when you click on that, what are the link for example, this particular session. In the same way, if you click the TA math TA I'm talking about, there you will see the list of links will be there. If you click, it will take you to the session.
Okay, let me just.
And
Thank
apart
you.
from that, this is actually this Excel sheet has been created by the TS itself. So it's a
Yeah,
consolidated
yeah,
form.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Shall we go with this question now?
Yeah, please.
Suppose there are two roads perpendicular to each other. Okay, two roads are there perpendicular to each other. Now, I'm not saying this is the only road. Road can be like this as well. Okay. This one, just suppose this is just an partition plane. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. Each other, which are both at the same distance from Priya's house. Okay, somewhere here Priya's house is there. Suppose somewhere here, and both our roads are at same distance. It means shortest distance is same. The meeting point of the road of the two roads on which x-axis and the distance of 5 units from the Priya's house. Choose the correct possible representing the roads. Sorry, what question is my mind is stuck now. Okay, suppose there are two roads perpendicular to each other. Okay, which are both of the same distance from Priya's house. Okay, somewhere
सर
here
5
Priya's
और
house.
-5 होना चाहिए, ओरिजिन से 0 होना चाहिए y का वैल्यू.
Okay, let's see. Consider as origin. Okay, Priya's house we have to consider as 0. Okay, that I forgot
Yes,
to do. So this is Priya's house. This is Priya's house.
origin.
Now Priya is on heaven. Priya's house. Sorry, origin, not heaven. Priya is living on origin. Okay, this is Priya's house. Okay, the meeting point of two roads is on the x-axis. Distance at the distance of 5 units from Priya's house. It means in the x-axis there is a meeting point. Either the equation will be like this, the roads are like this. So the meeting point, this point, it means wherever they are intersecting, either that point is 50 or -50. Okay,
-50.
there is a two possibility, right? Either the roots will meet somewhere here or somewhere here.
Yes.
Correct?
Yes.
I'm taking your question only, Dot.
Yeah, I'm here.
Yeah, you wrote now my question, please solve.
Yeah, I'm
taking your question.
Yeah.
So this is 2 point, right? This is the two possible point. This is two possible points where the roads will intersect, because this distance is also 5 units. This distance is also 5 units. Same distance, and this point will be 50, and this point will be -50.
Yeah.
Correct?
Yeah.
Correct? Now,
Correct.
is there anything that we have now? So possible representation of roads that we need to calculate now. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see this one. So it means whatever roads we will have, so this may be answer. If all the options will be incorrect, then this is the possibility that this answer will be C. Okay, let's see the first one. Y is equals to half x plus 5. If this is the road, this is one road. Okay, one more thing that we have, right? These roads are equal distance from the Priya's house.
Yes, sir.
Is at the same distance. At the same distance from Priya's house. It means both. What does it mean? Can anyone tell? If you draw a perpendicular, okay, if this is the thing. If you draw a perpendicular from here to this line and from here to this line, both the distance will be the same, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
This thing we need to check further. Okay. Okay, let's see whether which of the firstly we will try to discard option. Okay, if this is the line, then it will satisfy this -50, and 50 will satisfy the this line will satisfy that one, right?
Yes, sir.
This point will satisfy these lines, right? So just take for -50. Okay, put x is equals to -5 here. What you will get? For minus x is equals to -5, you need y is equals to 0. Whether you are able to find y is equals to 0 from the first equation. What you have, y is equals to half x plus 5, and another equation that you have is y is equals to minus 2x minus 5. Correct? I am taking this point -50 and 50 because intersection point is this. It means this point will satisfy both of the equation. This point or this point will satisfy both of the equation. Either this one will satisfy or this one will satisfy. Okay, so let's take the first one. If we will put x is equals to -5, what I need to get? I need to get y is equals to 0. Suppose
Yes,
if I will put -5 here, so what it will be? -5 by 2 plus 5 cannot be equal to 0.
yes, sir. So it's not
Right?
correct.
It means this particular line is not satisfying this point. Okay, let's move to this point. If I will put x is equals to 5 here, then this will be plus 5 by 2 plus 5, not equal to 0 at any case. It means this is not correct option.
Yes,
Direct
sir.
discord. Correct?
Yeah. Yeah.
Right.
Yes.
Okay, let's see this one. This is the probable option. Okay, this can be
No,
right.
sir.
If I will put x is equals to 5 here. Yeah, this is also no. If I will put x is equals to 5 here, what it happens?
5 equals to -10.
Yeah,
Minus
-10.
10.
It means for this is not happen. Okay, what about -5?
Yes, sir. So it's 0.
-5, it will be 0. Y equal to
It will
0.
be 0, both case, right? Right?
-5. Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
It means this is the probable option to make it circle. Okay, what about the third one?
If you put -5.
If we take 5, so it's 0. If we take
If you
minus
put
5,
x is equals to 5 here, x is equals to 5, 5 to the 10. So this
Yeah,
this
that
one is
give me
satisfying.
the
What about
0.
this one? If you put x is equals to 5 here,
minus
it
5.
will be -10, -10, 20. It means for 50, it is not satisfying. Okay, what about
Not in.
-50? For
So it's 0.
-50, this
First
one is
one
not
is not
satisfying.
satisfying.
It
Yes,
means
sir.
this is incorrect. What
Mm.
about this one?
It's also not
This one
correct.
will not satisfy at any 5.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right? This is also incorrect. Okay, what about this one?
If we take 5 in first
5,
and minus 5.
0,
If we
-5.
take
If you
5
take
in
5,
second.
both are satisfying.
Yes,
So
sir.
this is an probable answer. Okay, what about this one? X is equals
X
to
is
5,
equal
x
to
is equals to
5, X is
-5.
equal to minus.
Not
It's
at any
also
cost.
correct, sir.
If you put x is equals to if you put
5.
x is equals to 5, okay, if you put x is equals to 5, then in that case 5 has to be equal to 5, correct. But in this case 5 has to be equal to -5. Whether it is correct? No,
No.
they are not intersecting to each other.
Second
5
one is
will be
not.
lying here, -5 will be lying here, not intersecting, not correct. So we have two possible options, and one possible option is this as well. Okay, correct. Now
Yes,
we
sir.
need to find we need to find what we need to do. So this is incorrect. Why incorrect? Because what we need to see further. Okay, let me erase this one.
So what is the first
Up to
option 10?
it means insufficient information that we have.
Okay.
Whatever
But we have
information is given, that is insufficient.
But we have other things.
We have already sufficient information, right, to checking this, right? So that
That's
one is
why
also
we
incorrect.
concluded this one. Yes, sir.
Okay, so this one is the possible answer, this one is the possible answer. Now let's see this one. Same distance from Priya's house. It means from 0, 0 we need to find the distance from this line, shortest distance, and from 0, 0 we need to find the distance from this line. Got my point?
Yeah.
Right? If the distance are equal for both the case, for this case and this case as well, this will be my possible answer. Okay. Similarly for this line as well, is find the distance. Now that thing you can do, just apply this formula, mod of ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by a square root over a square plus b square. Okay, you can apply this one.
Okay.
Okay. Sir, please explain how to do answer for the question, not how to verify the option. Sir, please explain how to do answer for the question. See, this is the numerical, like max, what to say, multiple choice question, multiple selective question, right? More than one answer option will be correct. So the shortest way to solve this kind of question is this, just directly looking from the option. That is why we are giving the option now. If we directly, we need to find the option, we need more information about the equations. Okay. Okay, yes, one. So sometimes for solving the question, we need to apply our common sense, whether we are able to find our answer from our option as well or not. Yes, one. We want the concept, sir, not common sense. That's what I am giving you, no? That's what I am giving you. That's what I am giving you. Here, did I have used any common sense here in this whatever in this diagram I have done?
No, sir.
No, right? According to this diagram, I was just excluding the options, whatever options are not fitting in my given information. And once I got two options where the given information is satisfying, only one information was remaining, which is the both have same distance. That I need to find. That's it.
He explained the
Sir,
diagram once.
sir, actually in this question, you're saying they have just mentioned 5 units from Priya's house. So it can be
Yes.
-5 to 0 or 5, 0. That is what you're
Yes,
trying
yes.
to tell here.
Yes.
So
I
we
will
need to
explain
find
once
options
again.
for both these points, 5, 0 and
Yes,
-5, 0, and we
They
need to see
did
which equation satisfies.
Yeah, exactly. They didn't specify these two. If I will go with the proper manner, it means not like if I don't have this kind of option, then how will I solve? Then I need more information about it.
Sir, I have just sent a direct message to you.
Yeah, that's what I am saying. Yes, one. If I need to solve this question, I need more information about it. Like which option I need to take. Either I need to take this 5, 0 or I need to take this -5, 0. Because for solving for each point, it will be really difficult for me and for everyone as well. Then we need to, then what will happen? Okay, so here if I need to do, sorry, I need to see for the same distance as well. And here I am getting the possibility. It means there will be more than 1 to 2 options correct. It means there will be more than 1 to 2 answers. So for checking each and everyone's is really difficult, right? Each and every possibility, just looking, it's really difficult.
He explained this diagram once, just
Yeah,
a
yeah.
diagram.
We have almost
Sir, I
18
just sent
also.
a doubt.
Okay. So this is my Cartesian plane, suppose. Okay, what question is saying? Suppose there are two roads. Okay, there will be some roads perpendicular to each other. Okay, fine, both are perpendicular to each other, and which are both at the same distance from the Priya's house. Okay, both line have the same distance from Priya's house, and also consider as the origin. We have to consider Priya's house, which is situated in the origin. Okay, suppose somewhere here is the origin. This is my origin, and this is Priya's house. Okay. Now, anywhere in this diagram will be the what to say? Will be the intersection road, right? Will be the road. I don't know right now, but here what it's saying? The meeting point of the two roads on the x-axis. On the x-axis, it means the meeting point will be in this axis only. This x-axis only. Okay. At the distance of 5 unit. Okay. So I can take 5 unit distance in this direction and this direction, the both correct. Say something.
Yes.
Correct, no?
Yes.
So here,
Yes.
this point is minus 50 because 5 unit I am taking, and this point is what? 50. Correct?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So what I need to see? Basically, I need to find the equation of lines, okay, who are perpendicular to each other, okay, which are perpendicular to each other. Okay, this sign is perpendicular to each other, perpendicular sign, okay. And either passing through this 50 sign or minus 50. So I am taking, I am saying yes, 50. I am taking this point, okay, 50, and passing through this 50. Okay, I am trying to solve generally, okay, not by the example. Trying to solve. I am not sure whether it will be solvable or not, but I am trying. This understood up to this in this diagram.
Yes, yes.
Right.
Yes.
So there is a possibility the intersection point will be this minus 50 and or this 50. Okay.
Okay.
If this is the intersection point minus 50 and 50, so if we will see by the example, then this minus 5 or this by minus 50 or this 50 will satisfy this equation if this is the correct option, right? So discard those options where these 2 points are not satisfying, where either this is not satisfied or suppose this both are not satisfied in this equation. Here we have seen this these 2 points are not satisfying. It means for these two equation, for this option, for these two line, these both point are not the intersection point, right?
Yes, it's not interesting.
Right? Yes, sir. This will not intersect with each other. It means this will not satisfy my whatever condition we have in this question. Correct?
Okay.
Similarly, this question is satisfying. It means this is satisfy the condition that we have. So easily we can go with the options that we have. Okay, let's try. If we don't have option, then what we will do? Okay, suppose I'm taking 50. So I need to find the equation, which is equation of line, which is moving from the 50. Okay, passing through the 50. That's it. That's the information that I have. And having same distance, okay, that one I don't have. Okay, so suppose that one will be y is equals to m into x minus 5. Okay, m is my slope in that case, slope of the equation. Okay, so automatically second equation will be given by 1 upon m x minus 5, right?
Yes.
Right, because both are perpendicular. So this is my road R1, this is my road R2. Correct?
Yes.
If I am able to find this m, then I am done. Say.
Yes.
Right? Oh. Let's see, we are able to find this m or not. I think we are able to find. Okay. One condition, both are at the same distance from Pia's house. It means from 0, 0, the shortest distance will be equal to this distance. Suppose D1 is the shortest distance of this line to this origin, and D2 is the shortest distance to this line to this origin. Then D1 and D2 will be equal to each other. This is we have, right?
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Right. So let's try to find D1 and D2 both. What will be my D1? Okay, just write it as in a more precise way. So it will be y minus mx plus 5m is equals to 0 and y plus 1y m x minus plus, sorry, because of this minus, this will automatically minus 5 by m. This will be minus 5 by m is equals to 0. Okay. So for D1, what it will be? Minus m into what? 0, right? So for 0,
Yes.
0, this something will be 0 plus cy something is there, right? So c is my 5m divided by m square plus 1 square. Correct, if I am not wrong?
Yes, G, correct only. The distance from now.
Similarly, D2 will be what? 0, 0 is there, so c upon c, which is what is my c in that case? Minus 5 by m. So minus 5 by m divided by 1 by m square plus 1. Correct. I'm not able to erase it. So let me erase what this one. Understood up to this? Any doubt? Please ask. I hope this is going to be lengthy, but yeah, this is what it is.
But what
Now,
I understand is like the two roads, which is the line we are making. We already the equation is there. Just you're applying the x comma y in the same formula,
that
the
is the
lines,
easiest way.
and
That is
yeah,
the
that is
easiest
the
way.
easiest way. And what they are saying, the hint is that this is perpendicular. Just I'm checking the both roads having m into m1 into m2 is equal to -1. Whether it is this condition also satisfy that, then that also you can go for it.
Yeah, this is I am doing because S1 was asking, sir, if we don't have option, then what we can do. So
I
that
was
is why I
asking.
am doing it.
I was thinking that this you made that two lines. Actually, it was parallel only. I didn't see that is perpendicular. That is the reason I'm asking how this line will be in this diagram.
Now it's correct. Now understood. That can be
Yeah, now
anywhere,
understood.
like any like this one or this one, anything. We don't understand. We don't know about it. Currently, we
But
don't know about it.
it should be minus 5 comma 0 5 comma 0. It should be supposed to be touched, right?
Yeah, the
The
intersection
both
point.
lines.
Yeah, this point is the intersection. This point will be the minus 5, 0. So suppose this is my axis. This point will be the minus 5, 0. Or if this is the intersection point, this point will be the minus 5. The intersection point is minus 5, 0 or 5, 0. One of the point from both of them. Okay.
But both are perpendicular in the sense I don't understand. That's it. It
Perpendicular
is going. It is going. It is
intersection.
in the left side and it's in the right side. It is like a parallel only.
See what I'm saying. Perpendicular, it means that both line, the angle between both line will be 90 degree. That's it. That's what it's saying. Perpendicular means the angle between both of the lines will be 90 degree only. Both road will make the angle of 90 degree only.
Then, but I can see here left side, right side is parallel.
Left side, right side. This, okay, where you are lacking. Okay, I understand.
But you understand, right? 5 comma 0 minus 5 comma 0.
I
It is looking
understood
like parallel.
what you are missing. What you are missing, I understood.
That is my query from starting. Yes, thank you.
You understood how I got this minus 5 comma 0 and 5 comma 0, right?
That is from the 5 unit distance from the origin.
Yes. You also understood that either here will be the intersection or here will be the intersection.
Yes.
Suppose I am getting intersection here, then line will be like this only. This one. Okay. Here will be the intersection. It means this will not follow any rule. This is one of the case, or either this will be the intersection point or this will be the intersection point. Here the two different road will be not here and here. This is not like one road is here and one road is here. Then how will you show that then there is some intersection? No, right? This is not the case. It means either the road will lie this side or this side.
Okay, now understand. Yes.
Okay.
I thought both the road will be two quadrants, like this quadrant and that quadrant. Not like that, right?
No. Now from here you need to find the value of m. It's really difficult to find directly, right? That's what I was saying.
So this
For
process is
that,
going a bit lengthy.
yeah, that's what I am saying. No, Prasant, here
Yes, sir.
now you need to solve the quadratic equation. Then that will make you difficulty. And in the exam time, you will not have that much time to solve this quadratic equation. This is for only 50. Now you need to take further minus 50 as well, and then solve, and then find the value of m. Then only you will get the answer.
So we'll get the options in the examinations, right?
Obviously.
Okay, sir. It's actually I was a bit confused in this answers which you were solving.
Now it's correct, right? Now understood, no?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay. So what's the time? 11:46. Shall we close this session now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Probably if session will be there tomorrow, we will inform you. Or not there, then also we will inform you. Okay. Do practice. Is all the best for the exam. Probably I will not be there after this like 25. And some another instructor will take the session. Okay. Some more 3 to 6 classes I am with you for more 4 to 6 classes. Then after that, another instructor will take the session. All the session I won't be there after sometimes. Most probably up to this 25 I am here. Okay. So all the best from my side to everyone.
I have a little question.
Yes.
Sir, what time you are planning to conduct?
What are the main topics for the qualifier?
What are the main topics for the qualifier? Week 1 to week 4. Everything.
I know all the weeks, but there are some specific topics that
Some important question kind of thing, important topics you are asking.
Yes.
How can I tell what are the important? It's very difficult for me to judge any topics by their importance. See, one thing is there. So this SSC part is very, very important. That thing I will assure. But by judging
Sir, I
on
have
some
just sent a
topics, I don't think so.
question.
It's a good idea. Just try to solve each and every question. No? You will
Sir, am I
definitely.
audible?
Yes.
Sir, I have just sent a question.
So tomorrow you said you might have a session. What time it might be?
Same time, 8 o'clock.
Oh,
What you are saying, yes, one M is not going to cutting off. Where is
Sir, Deepak Singh. DS.
No, Yaswant is asking. Somewhere here we were getting this one.
and the one more
We were
thing.
getting 5M divided by M square plus 1 is equals to minus 5 by M divided by 1 by M square plus 1. How did you cut off the M? 5 will be cancel out. Then here you will get 1 by M square. So what you will get further? You will get this 1 by M will go this side. So what it will be? M square divided by root over M square plus 1 is equals to, here what you will get, 1 by M square plus 1. Now for solving this, you will do square of both sides. What it will be? M raised to the power 4 divided by M square plus 1 is equals to 1 upon M square plus 1. Correct? Now what it will be? It will be basically M raised to the power 4 into cross multiplication 1 by M square plus 1 is equals to M square plus 1. Are you able to see or not? Here you are getting M raised to the power 4 plus M square is equals to M square plus 1. This will be cancel out. m raised to the power 4 is equals to 1. Okay, two possibilities are there. Either m is equals to plus minus 1. Okay, we can't get the value. We got the value plus minus 1. You got the value, m is equals to plus minus. This one? Are you still there? Okay. But this is really wrong, na? Someone will say, sir, how did you get this value? So just put this. This is just from trial and error. Trial and error. Okay.
So you said you sent a message for tomorrow at 8 o'clock, is it?
Sorry. Yes. If it will be there, it will be on the 8 o'clock. Now I am closing this session. It's already 12.
Yeah.
What about my doubts, sir? I have sent in 2 times or 3 times.
What's your name?
DS.
DS. DS. Okay, I will take your doubt. Just send it once again. Someone was sent that one, no? Kunal? Someone was sent it. DS or Deepak Singh?
Deepak Singh. Yep.
Yeah, please pronounce correctly. No, I got confused. Okay. What is the doubt here, Deepak?
Sir, it's solved by intersection form or parallel line form? Sir, parallel line formula.
Question.
Because sir, its answer is coming in root.
Okay.
So it's not a graded assignment?
Sir, this is a graded assignment question.
It's a graded assignment.
Yes, and this
Sorry.
is what I was also thinking. It is graded assignment, and I was checking also.
It's graded.
Okay, find out the parameter of triangle formed by the intersection of the following 3 lines. Intersection of following 3 lines. Some line was going like this, some line was going like this, some line was going like this. You need to find this one. You can easily find now. Intersection of 2 lines. Graded assignment question is also there. So
Okay, sir.
after that, I am
क्या
not
है ना
able to
सर,
say anything.
ये मेरा डाउट
Okay.
नहीं था सर, मेरे दोस्त का था, क्योंकि मेरे ग्रेड असाइनमेंट में ये क्वेश्चन नहीं आया था, इसीलिए मुझे नहीं पता था कि ये ग्रेडेड असाइनमेंट का है। वो मुझे सेंड कर रहा था, मुझसे नहीं बना, तो मैंने आपसे पूछा।
Deepak, the graded assignment questions are same for everyone. It doesn't change. Only
Okay,
I don't know about it, but
only the
yeah,
order changes.
I hope now you understood, right?
It's not my graded assignment question, bro.
That's right.
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Now it's solved, no?
Yes, sir.
That's important. Don't need to fight. Okay, I'm closing this session. Okay, bye. Good night, guys.
Thank you so much.
Bye.
Okay,
So,
thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
all the best. Okay, probably.